iguru y'imyaka 13 na igo abarinse y'imyaka iyo nigo barinse y'amorokerio ya Bible.
Buya kigimo manchu morigeria bwe television ya Ndizi TV magaro bengi ando sia soberete ekerondo chichara gire chinsa ibere chebono mgoroba echine chinsa chiro kongo rwa Afrika ya moja ando sia soberete yungwerere bageri go kwaliga ni buya kigima kira ali tuko ori Jumamosi buno butambe buno manyete no murobiri obweke umbu egia siasa kuruka ga Ndizi TV obwanso bwo mugusi bya mono kigima ando sia sole Jumamosi ngiye karwa korre kanisa kurumambia go ikabono maragoba na inde toso ase amangana mange ayo ale igoro ya siasa buna butambe buna twakituka sukyo murobiri yo ogacha chinsa ibere cya butuko chinsa chirogongo rwa Afrika ya mocha igotoko kwa na mangana siasa wika chinsa isato twanda mangana mayina nditoma nego sukibosyo wika chinsa inye igoro twakora bimuno kigima asemogendera kuri Ndizi TV korwa inyoragende muse mitandao YouTube nigotole Ndizi TV News, Facebook niko tuko Ndizi TV News Digital na boy gono boko enda senet ya itoko se website ya ito www.ndizitv.net lindo toligerelie na gotonyora kigima na kuri yiri emerobiri ya ito chinsa emeronge ebere nenye na boy gonko beka tole linki gabo timenyeti Abigail karwa bekire linki ntebi kigima elinde onyengo nchorere kabisa abo elinde tomanye korra nga ebinto bya bere bya mono kigima omwanchwa omoligerelie ando sia soberto bone magoroba ya bono litukulia lero ni gonde no mogoko kigima komutwara omogeni bwe litukulia lero nigakorwa mheshimiwa Vincent Abuga nigakorwa alias ward ya Bugusero imeje county ya Kisii lero tole nere magoroba ya bono tochukwa na mange kopatikana na mangana development gose magendro alia korese akorekanire se ward yaye na boigo ayande alia agochego korekana mirobiri liero na boigo tukwane rigoro ya siasa choro gongorwa gusi na emergency ya Kenya kikalike gendrete kwikira boniga abekire linki ga bwo genda ororo YouTube origi ye kurukwanga nero Ndizi TV News ndoche na abekire linki ga bwo ngiya kabisa na njiti gandaranye share gochia sabage ni bande elinde na borobwo bakonyenyora ba share gochibosyo tumanye ko cha komuroberio buya kigima na inchete te mheshimiwa tete ngotomere ekwerendeye elinki ye buya kabisa na gotomeire iyo na gotomeire bona aisha gochise kwende tumaye gochaka wanchumuriria karaso ase mitanda iyo kidogo elinde tumanye gochaka kigima kerona inchenganye te bintu bibere bitatu bibe elinde tumanye gochaka murubirio obweke umbu emargoba yabono gobono gendra koba 9 ngochaka tole asige kakere bosio producer tinko igwete kwana nilio girira igoro nalio ndalio koigwe biamono kigima mheshimiwa na kiwanda biande na kiwanda
ya mbieta
igankale sana tu umere ndenje naye ga Ndizi TV
omodo rabeire
igagi habtwete mwakoli 2023
omanyete siasa nero ngotakere kwara tware break
ba minto
toko
obera liyo kaiga na kiwanda
ya mbieta
Bugusero
mbieto nashukuru kwenye kuboka tore
nyasa oberumia mbia tole naintwe bono no tole ga gatura sukia mangana ya bosio elinde tomaye korana ki chinga gichi chikotoira biama na kiogendrete go ikiraponi ga in terms of ayibwe ko monyene na bantu ba ugocha gocha
alitangani nganchirente ngambia muno
okay
na kero kende olitwaro ani litwali alero litangani tigante nganchiro mheshimiwa Abuga ondo mu MC we ward ya Bugusero Bugusero kutoka Kitutu Jaji South na bonta getego tebanga lero ni lituli sabato abande ni menyete ngangu timoka bare lituli lero abande mambi bagutimoka iko tigante benga se bali mwa timoka lituli lero tiganya sabaseni bali mo gutimoka lituli mambi lituli chuma piri na bonta getego sabanga komoko gende misa moto sabirani erinde maiguru wonte benga Bugusero mbiyere tebwate muchando nde bwenzi tunashukuru Mungu
uwo kanisa mbiama biamono kigima asa yugocha gocha boniga ni miaka eringa miaka ohinugo twasoete karoko bara kalenda iya ono mwako twasoire lakini skero kubara ha financial year ne mwako kabere taibu mugendrete so far na ki ayene ensemoye county assembly so far ne kyo hendrete miswada na kimwa itrigo tutaraja se development
onta gete goteba nga SME akebere yare na onta gete gotanga tuatore challenges as a county government ite akisi
yes
Mariogi na ba mange including me as a person na onta gete goteba nga ntu aba abantu ba Mariogi
yes
lakini I can confirm nga for the last 2-3 months ago na bokora ngomurembo ire ni kisi
okay
no nyeni nuntu araba sumbwa
na
news kirali
sana lakini negazi yaito yes
so igole ndeki to sabangeri nga omurembo yo rekanira se county ya Kisii
yes
nga kiare ko babuya to maintain because we realize nga miaka tutigaritite bugambi witu ni miaka around 2.5 erindo bugambi boera then itogende for a new election
yes
yo gusaba kwa nengoringa nga kiare ngeko babuya tutware omuremba amongst ourselves tuganirania mayada iswetani byonzi abana inchi namagendo batagete mariogia yaitu tariko bakonya inenwe
yes bia mono kigima bon tukaturere na buo mate na ki ogendrete na ki igo manyetinga ayetaria yoko egubeso begete kiganja nigo kulika projects chiriko abekirenze kwana na guchia serikali ye county yama gukora gintu gikoro kuna implementation so far inki wa kolire turachakira none nsemo yikibara
ntagete goteba asomwa ko mutangani and I think I need again take abantu bakebwata buya
yes
and amabi kwa kebekirekiria nga emeremo yo mo MCA no koruchi proposal
yes
we participate in budget making so chi proposal jiri okwaye gwetera saba kichikura bawo abo kogenda kwaliriri wa select chiri otagete chikoro mwaka oyo ne chigotigara kwa chisukiwe chemyaka yiga because we are working a contract of 5 years
yes
omwaka mutangani na wantagete goteba nga omwaka na so etobisi e budget na tumiete yarenge yo mweshimiwa Orengo
omutangani
mweshimiwa Atanga because you realize no nyani nje kirengo jo yiga 2027
yes
ekere tokoro si budget ya 2027 2028
yes
eyego chigotumika ne serikali yego chigosoe nyibono that means onyengo chikobo ninje ngunyitumia
yes
if it means singatingo bo yo ko bonero ratumia
yes
igo mwako mutangani 2022 2023 ekere na soete na nyorete budget ebwate chiwesa chinge sana actually it was around 13 million only aso mwako mugima nganyora chiparo mweshimiwa Atanga abegete charenge chipara focho
yes
unfortunately now egatoka ngachipare jonse ejire Bugusero South you know the word ya nebwate chi
location yeah good
Bugusero South then also Bugusero North
okay
lakini egere na asoete nganyora nga chipare jonse ajibegete Bugusero South
okay
so e pare ntangani yare ko ngetora iti ebangura I can confirm nge pare inanya korte kaera tukabeka bako morom
yes
ngoitekere e para ya kabere ya renge ko rukunga Musoja Academy lianchabira I will confirm here nge pare ntu anya korte tukabeka morom tukakora everything mbuyere ngoitekere also e pare ya gatatu ya ko rukunga Ikenye liamuse liorero I will confirm nge pare nja korte kaera ikabeka bako morom
yes
e pare yo mwari yo mwako yare kurunga lionkoba liorero lia makunga
yes
e pare it was a new road ya igolete for the first time
okay
ntuanya igolete tukabeka makarabati tukabeka mormo e kaera omwako yo yi ntu abwate birasi bibere byarenge ongoing class getanga ne class kia ungincha ne class kia Nyamatuta
okay
rero igaunangaraza na bongo devinga na sukumete contractor akagenda gatabuki class kyonginja rero yona tukukwa na abana bagosomereme
okay
e class kya Nyamatuta the same contract nero ire nagende taka gitabuki rero igano abana bagosomereme oino mwako 2022 2023 bina bintu na nyorto nka make sure ngana sukumire bya korubyoso
yes
now that the budget ye korgune ya ne bono njabuga igere na soete ntu altegende tuka ward based budget
okay
e ikero mo MCA ago propose ji project chire wati 27 million
okay
ekere togo chagera chipara because na chi one devi na inde in a department is very sensitive.
Yes, yeah. Want to know about the mono.
Nchenga feeling we can balance chiri Johnny Jones.
Yes.
Ombwaji subrogation isato. Nkarengere linga yani subrogation inye that is raganga. Vigege. Then Santa, then finally Matieko. Omuralia ngachakira raganga because na feeling raganga e budget yali yaretenja ire chipara ibere nkabai pare ya muyoka. E pare koromochengo riabure. E pare it was a new road.
Kilometer ngo kero kurwe bara irenga chiko.
Approximately kilometer njiri chingi unaone pare ya Mochengo. Ikenya it was 2.2 kilometers. Lakini it was a new road kulingana ne budget yalitokwa ewa ogote mako minimize ya serinda address yo okune areas Jones.
Good.
Ngabeke pare yo activity kiare ngoro no kunye kora bush clearance.
Okay.
Okore opening, okore formation, then okore compaction, finally okore drainages that is makarabati.
Yeah.
E pare yega korwe kaira. Ngatuma kuraganga subrogation ngajabigege subrogation. Nkarengere ninga naro because babwaji pare ibere na barabuti gamba e pare yemo omwako 2023-2024 e pare yari kurugungege tumusoja academy. E pare nja koretu e kabekwa mara mpato bit kuringana na PQ.
Yeah.
What is remaining netigariti ya makarabati ya ngabere aye contractor ya genda up to date atanya kuira nache kobeka ikani confirm. Nande for that reason ekageranga genda nga instructor muchiwo officer ngamodeito waise kwagane pare until omo contractor vekile ya makarabati. Umurali ngarubige ya subrogation. Ikono ichineji pare ibere. Ngagenda Matieko subrogation. Nkabeke pare gorunga Mama Diana Nyansarandi Trubo Samu.
Okay.
Inere para tu buate ntambe kapisa as a ward.
Kilometer irenge.
Around 9 kilometers.
Okay.
Actually 6.5 not 9. Nande na na begere dijibe singa around 5 million. Ega koru ekabe ko moro mbata with because we are saying jiargo isana ebe ko moro mu onsi piround. Nkaruororo the same Matieko subrogation nkagenda asa koru ngarera ongaro Matieko. Nkabe ka new road inere tanya ko iguru ega koru opening ekabekwa makarabati then igakoru compaction yeah e pare it was a new one tebe kirimara mukuringane baje because you are sharing chinka nkaruma Tieko subrogation nkagenda Santa subrogation ngakore pare kurunga ongincha sorry
okay
ekabekwa maram ekabekwa makarabati no morum because njarenge ntambe igerere 100% complete.
Yes.
Finally tugache pare kurunga riabore Nyamondo. Inere Santa subrogation.
Yes.
Ngabe kore pare ngabe ko moro muyonsi. What is remaining is pare is only ya makarabati abere.
Okay.
Aga niri ko be kuoro. O se pare ya Nyansarandi bosamo nero ni bwata makarabati atato o mo contract awende ko na kore de namanya kwa kan.
Okay.
Ngakora mangane chipara. So ekerto go ije budget yo mwako yo 2023-2024. Ntobwate birasi vya ECD na beta se program.
Okay.
E class ke tanga ne kya kwerende Matieko primary school. E class ya kabane kya ruora primary school. E class kya kata to ne kya Nyanchogo primary school. Viraj seimbira be pokoru bono biaina ne tu aselot. Omo contract already oiru is only that tara apie ground. E challenge tobwate ne linga omo contract ako gendo tenda. Lakini after winiri o disappear tari goje
abno na te goja ningo ungo koligyo mo contractor.
So what I want to do again take ko be kwa se ko tangazo as an open tendering.
Good.
Open tendering my brother no na bogo tender.
Anya kuimba te
anya ko what the qualifications ko what the documents verified. You are eligible to apply to win. So once kwa win you might say this very hard ko manyanga mondo na bwate capacity yo ko kole binde because again they kikire se poto anybody will apply onyoro win from even Nairobi.
Okay.
Unabona I want to confirm mondo win a contract is coming from Nairobi because negendo kere open yeah mo contract itara ije se ground paka boni igo mo chando is not me Omuchando no linga contractor ya irwegas lakini tara apie ground.
Mheshimiwa Tigamboli ekero konyoranga aye no bwate egasi kwabekira chibesa ya bere tendad amonto nyondo mubwati nchirinde mogo tebanga egasi etige nyora na mu contract ore ande yang kega yanka asimukumukera bwango.
That is the proposal. Unabono the reason why devolution yajite yajite ko nyabanta bake
banka
bare within lakini you realize as an MCA tubwati chinguru ekichogo demand you know otokogenda as to ebirangere libyo mugabana yeah so now that we have realized a mistake hiyo we request yo mugabana this time round turiye njere yo koena na ebirasi to individuals because yenjere ebirasi biko bekwa mu byego mu contractor yo mu actually challenge neroro una most una bono round ye already ocherere na ndo understanding there is a expiry date ye contract unabona isiko toka ngama tukali yetu ara around 62 days tara apia ye minti to terminate ye contract yi ande tuchage koliya mu contract mu toko I wish according to me enargo feeling tuar ko nyorenjira yo ko empower contractors ya baita bakabare se ground at least yo mo contract na nyori class ye ka mo sebibire onda nyore ka mo sebibire you realize nga ekere bago combine that way ebinte ibigo korwa
yo korwango na inde bono inu mo batinchiri nguru chinde chonsi chuo samoni mo contractor ekiagara bono roche akonyori go sacha kire word getting aho by the time go cha sore ebintu bya obyanyorirwe kwaroreka turakora kasi lakini ensemo yawo no korete nero nyori mu batinchiri muramo samon nonye gwetira sebunge morole na kiako
ndagete ko gotebi tokonyara ko mosamo na ntiri expiry date yake you know contractor after winire na bwate right because na bako gotebi nga nimbwate plan unango kolega asiana so because already winire na bwate award letter okoriro handing over kuchakiraga abo manye to muntu yo so the moment yo go chaka ko muambush na bwate right yo go ira na enkoti.
Lakini mheshimiwa totebe for instance omonto obwire e contract use ekarabago chikobeke kwerendeye e contract yekere kwa ba advertised igari ababa komoa e contract ye mbali kumanya the location y'omonto ya sare endinge tegetangani location tebo ekintu kya kabere ngomutarira bari capacity yae bara nabwate machinery kose nabwate no manpower isaine nabwate some of the even to went kurigirirwa ekigara bono ntebie ingeri gwatebanga e contract eme gugo sinichi word usini komi omakanya tabwati capacity tabwati machinery tabwati enough no anything kitakeire ndika merebeje koro who does the contracting
na kinago tebinga contracting ya korgoro executive you know we as MCAs into what inguru choko mu contractor emire makore emire mo yaitu no korosi a budget then immediately to kora go eti budget kurusi assembly otoko nyanda over to the executive executive is read by the governor bono ntubwa chinguru choko ndo determining ningo kwa ewe gasi yakore. Lakini this time around because we have realized nero we have requested the governor at least turiye njira mu contractor kwa tabaise kwa nga
mo akolega singi
tukamote with means ngane lot then tikatoke enda the ward level you know at ward level na bonya onjabuga ombete birasi bitatu bono mo contract isa kwa goyo mate at ward level na bako nyara go bikora because in a project yego enda around 4 million at least na bomo konyo mo contract yo mona bwate capacity ara nyara go birasi bitatu kubwali litoko genda e constituency ngima actually is a challenge ntwarani and you realize is a running exercise tu akorete gende kyo mwako mutangani at least now twara na gia to factory we will not repeat the same mistake. Now that you mwako 2024 2025 no togenda to shulikira nimanye tenga there will be a very great improvement.
Lakini mheshimiwa to me iwe kumo chikorogananga you are at the mercy MCAs when speech county council in the whole country you more at the mercy yomo governor.
One who's our boss
as much as lakini ende you are equally accountable to your people
of course. Lakini
bon ekero kwa na kwa batebe na ki ni ndwete bare yentebete koru na lakini no mugava no tara kora iga go so tara rugo sine contract osine ro enete contract kujeso monto uri ngora go sinangi tego kobeka konwaye
you know already we are in programs taringa teko mbeka sako we are already in progress
mugwate mechando nero
because inatukaria kazi ngumu kueleza wananchi na wananchi baito feel singa mwa msienero kwenda wakore para akore class akora match akore everything lakini I want to say nga emere moyo mwa msie is to implement
buyo kaigo kuiki ground korana bitu bibia atebete bia
akore oversight akore registration it is only 3 roles chiro isa to joke because once you go registration then you implement then from there you represent actually or I want to say ngeringa HR engineer lakini kinda ite go there now that we have run our mistake ngeringa umwako yo 2024 2025 I can promise nga moje more a lot of change ekinari go there before ntareba maybe asumwako yo 2024 2023 2024 also ntu abe unabona nimbegete ebitacho springs ebitacho around 8 kibese chichi agende tasende tukunga Froka Froka is an organization yajite tagete ko tokonya korosia maji ikona biro bi already unabona to a system ya igole tu kibese ngo chaga chirego soka ige contract ngo ichare ground achage ushurikira amaji a department ya healthy na begete kibese facility ya Nyamagoma ngabeka kibese facility ya Matiego so we are working on it only that thing geringa abantu baito na barabunta iteko basabanga ba understanding binte imbiko koru within umwako yo mu byonspi unabone ward ya Bugusero I can say nga jipara kire Bugusero Jonespi kire 56 Jonespi so ni nkora ko koruboni gabakange 2027 itingo chikora Jones kikero kia can promise what I will do ongo kora sengonya unabona ndede go devinga kurunaso eto bisi I've done 12 roads so far
na ende chinjiri public participation ni ekolire
chinjiri abananchi ba
kwa first priority na chubani to prioritize
of course personally na gore jipara 11 para ya gatatu ye county na request ti mujumbe Anthony Kibagendi akankonya kwenye kora because I want to be very open and ndagete ko modenga mbia mono asoko nganjira because ye para ni county na nataka kumshukuru pia ando nganjere ngorale pare ya kabere ye county a reason ya yengo korera igo it is because na modeting a ward ningare na ndio mbwa kilomita chinge chechi para kora nyore opportunity yo ngonya so I can confirm unabone pare ya Kenya tungege nero ngonya ukora I am requesting ngorale pare ya Medista go chinya mouse so inkinta gedogora my interest no ko make sure abantu bane bakonyekira so haijarishi gose ninje nagorde gose no mujumbe Kibage ndio gorede interest yani pare njaite ka abantu baite
egento kia bere abantu babere bagokumie kenga samuntu kamange the quality yo cross wechi bara joito naro de none jibije chinyingiro ne siguru bugweta ne baragete ne kolire bakamagocha bakamurambara ba instead of your more move when talk about of a good quality na ndegi that one goes back to a contractor correct perhaps because nijibe saire chinke gosechi kakole bintu bide binga paka jiriji go to chagaiga ayibuno mu MCA ekero gokunya kokora oversighting ye kwa ikirari kwa nyorire contractor ya irwe gas lakini okorire obekire no na more mobe gosenchire kolire telingia ncho kora from that very moment kwa realize gosaba nanji bakorangiri kuchise baragete na kino yali metwe ekabe kuga the quality of the road
bono ntagete there from my side
from my
personally nimbwate experience esa manage par because I'd been in that profession for long nimanye to moro mumu ya because yo moro mu before mo engineer taranyu anjira ogenda ko bekwa separa nko gendore for a lab test that is why toko beka chibesa choko ira moro mwase lab test tima yose kwanya ko manyege ndeki ase word yane I can confirm ngo moro mu begetu I was there in person no moro mumu ya only that ye challenge ko boro ne ringa okonyora nga kero kende para ya miru lakini tebekiri moro mu yons the reason why pare ye tari ko beko moro mu yonsi is because ye budget to ire to ko budget ri chi project chite chibesa chire chingi unabone para for example I want to talk of a para ya Mochengo Riabure pare ya renge 2.2 kilometers lakini kwanyanga chibesa chibekiro e contract abwende gutumia 2.5
okay
ekire kogenda for evaluation kwanyora ngomo nani omo engineer ekira akore evaluation kwanyora ngabono wikare reduce chi activity chiranyara gukore kabu chigotari ne chibesa
okay
kwanyora unabono abono wikebete lito shenere as an area MCA
yes
motevinga because bone chibesa ijakeire karanye beke igurwe for example is a new road
yeah
then a grade again kore formation then nganchere rorero goikeije kore conduction
yeah
ndetere amakarabati
Ube
because drainage ikekore
ebe kwikera otherwise nabe gosaleka within
after mwa bekire binte bi now
Yeah.
you can be able to decide uri aki as a budget chibesa irenga uranywe binte bierire irenga VAT ekoira irenga chikotigara mu contractor
Yes.
chibesa cha supervision ire then we decide together twamanya kuruo twarozi what we call PQ igo a challenge ronda ete goteba ngeringa nabeko nyaraka nori mepara
yes
yonse lakini to beko moro mwerizo neli chibesa kwa budget rete pari chiarenge chinga a challenge ero to contractors as much as we want to blame each contract at the same time naende wigatoi wanenga ki chibesa irenge pari yabekire
ebaranero gwatebere yo 6 point something kilometers
Yes.
ya buo yeah tumecho kwala konyegora for the first time
no it was
there
yeah
egera ngote balene kubeke lamu kilometer yamo ere between 45 million na 60 that's what they say
Yes.
kubeke kilometer yamo
Yeah.
what is the cost to kubeke morom kolemana kubeke morom kilometer yamo se baraye morom
a kilometer ya mom a kilometer ko si para to standard
yeah
just a kilometer I want to assume whether get all me pare yo obe ko morm obe ka makarabati the risk you will spend is around 1.2 million
ine kilometer
for a kilometer lakini kwanyora nge para obe gete 6 kilometers
okay
chibe saire ngobe gete oro 5 million omo engineer ko yanda gukora variation no mo contract go tenda because ekubwatire nga bid nabo konyora in most cases the county ego consider the lowest bidder
okay
kwanyora mo contract yo winity abekere de pare for example 4.2 million
yeah 6 kilometers
yeah 6 kilometers so the moment ako wini e minute bono egasi aye go kolekana between within the 4.2 million
okay ngomono chakire go do away with
bono
quality
chakire ebintu mbiro bikorusigo bono wigato reduce yo morm maybe to reduce chiraini cha makarabati erinda address chiwese chitari ne kilometer chipara yani chipara
but at the end of the day nayo go blamed no mo MCA na ki egasi kolera nere shodi na inde according to what you've explained to me ekor kumuchimwana andi yake na bira tokenga na magoso yo mo engineer ose muri umanyene etenda uyo bwate etenda
tigambe kegende very clear
yeah
ntagete goteba magoso is from our side as the county
okay
nande ntogwe bekira magoso as much because omuchandoro no linga ki a budget to bwate for every ward is very limited okay 27 million inde go de yumurali rero iga otebi nga budget for 27 million as a ward for example ya Bugusera
for a physical here
no I want to talk that in a budget to kwa no mwako mugima unabona kwa nyuri 27 million out of 27 million nayo kurige linga chipara irenga chikoira ebirazi irenga chikoira irenga health ekoira irenga maja koira
abuno abonge basari reme
no a basari is kando 5 million iko kando so I want to say kero to komende basari to tuare budget ya 32 million
okay
nkinta gitogote una for instance now nje unabu unabona mwako yo 2024 2025 because nali arrest ngo muchando to bwatoro mona se ward ne jipara na chabantu bakurira mono ena decide to go around 20 million
okay
ase jipara cho igo ngam remaining with only 7 million na jingo budget li bintu ibi
okay
so kwa manya guru kwa nyora nga there is somebody okoimoka kongore kabisa akobolinga ne jipara cho ko tokor
toro jibira siko sembe
without knowing aki a budget na irene erenge. Another thing in the koereza abantu ba to understand when we talk of 27 million ejitoko kwana tali moyo msiyoko kwa watu areko bokonga merokero kende mbeka account yane ngana agenda na rusio na korera magendo ne chibesa chirese account ya serikali
okay
one somo contractor kore onye ne pare aye onye ne getajo kya what we usually do no mo engineer go jetwa agenda for inspection omo MCA koro watibitishanga kuringana ne PQ chi activity chiri cha begitu maino okoreki okorre
okay
kenda mu process ri foja ya mwaka ine ri mirimo yo mo MCA go mo MCA besa ko kutwara ko kwa yoga ne rie gotoka se pesi
kugandira tuli kurwaba yabona mwancho mo ligere yo television and TV makaro bengia ando sia soberete murobiri gweke umbo so Facebook gali tutigere ujumbe Facebook tole DZTV News Digital nabo YouTube niko tole DZTV News subscribe so agabwo naro likire liboli gocha akero ande tugulika kanja kare Facebook job omayo gata following from nyamwetre kombi amano kegima nabo igo Josephat Machogu agoteba following from Bomaliba ward. That guy, Mheshimiwa, has really worked for his people, unlike our MCA, Timothy MCA, Ayo Noroi. Brian Moindi, YouTube Akoboriga. What is he doing to follow up on those contractors who are shying away from delivering? It's his responsibility to follow up on contractors. Mbiamano kigima iswali ngolira niliare na egenda alia ase namba yesimi kwa beke rugorogaria olikeri bodi ya gocha wetra ase namba yesimi YouTube na bokoenda olikeri bodi ya no on Facebook ende tolinyore elinde Mheshimiwa Irene Mheshimiwa Brian Mwindi Akobori, what is he doing to follow up on those contractors who are shying away from delivering duties?
The role of MC is very simple. One is to oversight.
Oversight, yes.
Two is to represent, then the registration.
Registration, yeah.
This one is the oversight. No?
Yeah, oversight, yeah.
Now that the contractor ochere rutara colegas.
Osokorega siempre.
Richi korori riko mwala nga oikoganya bake expiry period ya yere. You can't blame anybody. So what we usually do in case your contractor correga sirembe, I want that is why toke say assembly. You want to make a statement say assembly, quarete motion, you go claim ya kwamba contractor A, B, C, D, or quarete gasi a word ya neighbor record maybe for example Vincent Abuga, hanya quarete ragimta quarete. After quarete that motion in the assembly, I cover discussed.
Okay.
Then from there, we end up into solutions. Now, umuntu kurangirigu next in the assembly, no muntu kurunga minister in charge of roads. Oicha pamoja no chief officer roads. Oba answerable why omo contractor akolete gasi etarindo.
Etaringia.
Secondly, obere epo waka no gakolete gasi empe. Aina ara maswali toko police assembly.
Okay.
Responsibility yo mo MCA one se gasi akorwembe mo contractor itagwente waka no even akoin.
Okay.
Abuente kori fees ye para, I make sure ngokore pare into standard, which akerabu now you can approve mo contract again.
Asa mangana contracting, perhaps abaligiri baitombre batamanyiti the process yoko contract yo monto akolemberemo. How much is he paid? Litangani nguliri more a contract kinabwate, entugana itwate banabwate ability yogo chaka no neje sichibese chiaye na kimo nkikoligiri nabwate jibese chisa inara chakere program, osa chakere contract yo aikegati wose ikeno 3/4 way ekiagera na in what beats akoe uchibesa ekiagera na mura moji besa chon siritangani akole bale balembe agende miss in what beats akoe uchibesa
again don't take it go the one monto tarikoe gubesa ma uchagesa contract on the ones you okora within the county oikacha agene chibesa chai first.
Okay.
According to Korea County, not unless omondo kaire chi project as a bit. Na riako ako kore ega si up to around 30%. Omanya ko ego a certain amount choko genda ko utabuki gas. Lakini omondo ire pare mo according to chiko ako kore pare omanya waga no chiwe sacha Jones.
Okay.
So that is why toko tuara what we call inspection. So ne bane mondo ire chi pare una bone a lot. Ekero mo engineer go enda for inspection ako genda inspection ni report ili ako liga kuroro nero bako genda bakora variation ba mwaga na jibesa kulingana ne gasi ako runingana so tari ko besere beyond ye gasi ako.
Okay.
Or I want to say ngeringa again to kira nyaro konye county ite yakis because in the contractors babwate capacity baranyaro koranga bono
within the county yakisi
yeah.
What do you mean?
No, what I want, I think kwambwate rubia. Ntobwate contractors lakini mbabwate kapasi, for example, Montara Nyara gore constituency.
Yeah, constituency. Lakini bakora some bits.
Lakini omo contractor kuchipara ibere ko sisa to, you can do it perfect.
Okay.
So nkinta gete goteba. Tika chipara chibeku, for example, open. Ne chipara anga chibeku quotation. Quotation now, you can be able to decide omo contractually ntumu maite na bwate kapasi aisa kwa kuchipara ibere na bagukora
na bakonyara
omo contractually aisa kwa ibere ta gukora koi moye mo na bagukora ki erizo ningo tebere ine tokonye even our youths because
ntutageza chitokega
ntutagete kwagaja our youth na baroba kine ntubwate chironi chiri bakwa ku youths bono nabo bakobeka namo babere baende baigweron at least na baroba chaka para batabuki the moment bagotabuki para bagwaganu igo kwabwaga chiri next time ngotwara bari resources
capacity yo kwagaja ibere
so that is why unanjabuga I want to insist and then request our governor now that we are working together moteving a key this time around even possible chipara chinyinge chigende quotation otherwise pare nde onsiere be less 5 million ebwente ko genda quotation ebwente ko genda open tendering hapana
Cliff Moranga ngaite yakuru Cliff Maranga igagotebanga the MCA is really trying. I strongly feel the governor must stop demeaning MCAs and focus on delivering services. The idea of one contractor taking all projects in a constituency is unacceptable. Ngate ngwa kwa ndege about contractor ya mekwa ebikwere ndebye binge. Up to this extent, naki how much damage tratebe go say how much behind mole in terms of goikirania project chonsi pichiri say county ekara chikoletwa say assembly reports ekara chigocha how far behind mole because of montoya mo koegwa chi contract chi nyinga se ekwendengima county ngima
ntagete ko gotebi for free omo contractor ya moko for example constituency ngima HR general one we gatwenyo ngembura ne nyinga at the same time with the moment unabona for example omo contractor chakere ward ya Bugusero nabago chakariria agenderetega onyore embura ya ture katika birega so that means tariko gendereri
aratiga
nande kagende thogora Bugusero whether you like it or not abantu babuge kambaro chwaye chipare chikoli Bugusero
batakoli mamondo
ibugeka omuntu ole nyakoe narojo waje chipare chikoli mbugeka chitari nyakoe omuntu ole Kitutu Central naroje the same omuntu ole Nyatiego naroje the same nkintagete gotebera nakinateba nga tigaba contractor baye gu chipara ondanyore ibere ondanyore emu ba compete go koregas you know the moment bakwa go kero monta ewe bakogenda go compete with the interest at least bakole wango bakanwe that way I want to assure you nga no enega asiera be perfect teba ise ko bangane chipara jo let that one happen in health department road nini lands department amangana healthy amangana ya maje at least tokonye situation otherwise we are remaining with less than 3 years
lakini igedra ko boli mheshimiwa wabu how far behind more in terms of goikirania chi project kirichiabe kirichikorwe lakini asinge ncho yogo twaro monto yo mogo chikora how far behind more the schedule
ontagete gotebanga of course turmagega I will confirm more especially una a department ya trade a department ya education a department ya health so far antora kora that good igona bongo tanga maega tore ikero kia can confirm lakini in terms of roads unabona say ward yani I can confirm nga jipare jina bete se budget chiro chi for free na onyembwe ondebwe nzi ogonda out unabona mabi that inaro muroko onda out mugaso naro konya kwagi wase chigurupu chipare chinaso omeri chonzi pi I think onyo bwate notebook na chiri kansa
ntima itiko sena royo na inde na Brian Moindi koboliale nere koboliale na ki it is enshrined in the constitution that there should be participation of procedures for development as he done any in I'm from Ruora the MCA hasn't done fair distribution of resources
wana na kinda kidogote
yes
I think tima usake bwa deragati na kibeka very clear na tebo mwako mutangani unasoeta obisi enanyorete budget yo mwishimo
yarenga south mono
yarenga south soraganga sublocation ebwate bokiabu ebwate ruora ebwate bototo egatwara araganga
okay
so ekere nasoeta obisiga epara nanyorete chiabekire ase program eyakunete raganga sublocation
okay
epara yende nanyorete ese program eyakunete part of raganga na nyanchogoshi
yes
inchabuge kere nachigoso repara yani ntanga nabeta ase program egakuna ekorunga machengo riabure egakuna bokiabu
yes
omwako yo igabono yatukwana 2024 is only that intara konyantara kwana program yo mwako yo limutwa
yes
esenge nchaburi amwirane nao erinda understanding ani minded y'abantu bonsi
that's right
epara nabegete chipara ibiraganga sublocation only two out of 7 roads reason nearly we want to cover the entire Bugusero ba understanding oburai bajorete njetimbo ati bokenyumba
okay
inabegete pare kurukunga ruo ari ruora epare kuruiburuko eso ruora primary ete maega ye primary ekurose straight toigore pare paka getumo ine pare ese program ebwate 3 million
okay
epare yende ngaranga tikangu nabantu bakaminiambo kaminiamba ari ntubwata baruyoro bare Bugusero iko Bugusero nebwate the minority abaruya nabagere ngabeke pare jagete St Henry wombese egenda abokia ubugeka etuo mereka miniambo ngumbu erinde tokonya abantu bakaminiambo nabaro
okay
Togo jicha for example now Matieko because it was connected the entire Nyansarandi bono na decided thing atokuna abantu ba Riverside Nyabigena St Vincent de Paul Toko genda Ongincha that is Santa sublocation nga decide toko le pare gorogunga Ongincha Ongongo Tuisanta arugo Toko ruga now we want to kuna abantu babigege ngokora tore pare gonga bungoto nyamuchiro etora
okay
ngokora tore pare gorunga etora ebangora gesabako
okay
ngokora tore pare gorunga mosojo market eonjukana within the market etirimbuke etireje kidesis eso karelio toyo
okay
then finally ndo bade pare ogoru through fueri revi epare gorunga sente barabara etirimbuke paka ngege echina ichi para so fambu ata se program tageto goru mwako because so yurora I can confirm ni manyete pare monere bachandete botambe ni manyete nganero bakomburi
eye Brian yako abwato ale bo YouTube ga
ni manyete nge pare ngise konye kwana ganere muchandete
nirigiye mukwana
pare yo ni manyete nga there is a road a new road te neri call by the oikiraboni atari para kine pare reserved
okay
nandi nanye kwanere kere twabwata what we call youth forum arinya gancha market epare gorkunya gancha otambuke connect ruora egorro kigoro esoke ruora primary
okay
ye pare goso trimbuka bumugambi Simon nimanye tenere bachande
nimusumbwete
nere chande tanto baruora understand lakini ntagete ko badebinga mbago takana barunanya gwatorere nyoni ya maiga baorobe because etamu yana na akore na akorero mwako yomo na dispute riji para una na kwana ne bintu bindu na kwanire
okay
so mwako nga bakora oroba baranga
twe para Matieko erende
erudia
ngate sinala kwanite na dimension Matieko is in pathetic road pare yune bwate muchandonde
no na bwente ko specific because Matieko is a sublocation
lakini rende no there is fair distribution of resources
fair distribution
okay Mheshimiwa, as much as incorporate fair distribution, perhaps sometimes information yeta iko move sideways, garanto bwa communication ya sideways, nere korokoro trimbo. Nkobate biolenga ebinte bimbirese in line, mbirego se etwachakereta bambini gatogochi elindi bamanye na gitora iri
na kinta
ebinte bichira biregocha ndiri perhaps twachakereta the other end we are coming to your side. Do you communicate?
Omo chandoro let me start from public participation.
Yes.
Public participation ngokora tore unabono twagorde the entire four sublocations. Raganga public participation eya korre tunyaganja. Bigege sublocation public participation eya korre tu somewhere around rio toy ko magari. Matieko Sub-location public participation ya goretu matieketi.
Okay.
Santa Sub-location public participation ya goretu ari kwerende nyamondo mutu.
Okay.
Nyamagoma. So ntagete gote kweresa abantu baito ekere bayigure gento nekibono ya public participation read them attend.
Ngocha bali according to the attendance.
Okogenda orwanyore namba abantu bari less than 50.
Okay.
You know, that is why toko tuari challenge. Because yon yendi ba kobo na bobo ento to aji proposal. Ekere toko what we call fiscal strategy paper yo emiaka 5.
Okay.
Na bobo ento to aji priority ebintu biri batagete bikoro for 5 years.
Okay.
Lakini kwanyora ngambali gosha. Yeah. So ninginda gete ko taona bono because la ruorati ndaba kuna naba bekerete that road naba bekerete class ya ICD because kamini ambonta ntaraba kuna naba bekerete para amabi that kamini ambote bwati school.
Okay.
Kamini ambo naba bekerete egetaje kemo ruora naba bekerete
ndege so abuse bitacho bya maji mwishimiwa.
Yes.
Machogu Junior gataba tuned in from Bomariba ward Bogitocho village. Congrats Honorable Vincent for the good work you are doing and continue doing so. Thank you. From Manama Baharin Kingdom all the way to my home county biamano yakuru kujeria kirbo nero gendrete go tolikira nere kurmo inaria ase balibata kete ko ikase simi namba yisimi timanye tigo senere goroga bujo korukunga nere producer namba yisimi bali korro liyo kaigirinde drole nanaki bono igutete ko koraiga togende twarpone rikibara sana ase bitacho bya mache mbara bibanyorire anything na ndimbare batranyo kira bande mbaruranyore bwa streams chitakere ko ba developed na ndimbare batakere no nebisima gukunyo if that is necessary.
So I can confirm the entire Kisii County. Talibo Usero. Tali Bogeka, Tali Nyakoe, Tali Masimba, Tali Basi, Tali Woti. So far Ndoraros vitajo bia maji. Reason onyenegamo. Reason totara rosari tu abegete vitajo of course unabone budget ya 2023 2024. I can confirm nge vitajo tu abegete. Lakini vitaje ebia irune organization. Nago tenga bia irune organization ikiwa yasaji asokire. Ebitajo unabona for example abuga na abegete vitajo nane. Nguchaga tore mo contract ngo ijara nguchaga ariko bikora. Umwako yo igo 2023 2025 orona bongo tebanga yani 2024 2025 orona bongo tanga timbege tibitacho.
Yeah.
Lakini umwako 2023 2024 ebitacho nobire ebitacho nane bigo korbo gusera I don't want to name them.
Yeah.
Reason ngo tebanda taido binemere umuchando bw'abantu baito na ndentagete to understand as MCS.
Yes.
So the moment yoko batebinge getacho ke nichendosi barabu bago manyanga mambyo ujagros.
Mbako manyana timeline error process nergatia
process nergatia okore procurement okore implementation kitambo echego ikiranga bono kwa ire mo contract it is a process. So nakinta gito tebanga no nyenkende gyonzu na on the reason why go to very gasie ngo tebanga ibintu ngo jo okoro mwako yo nebi okonyora at the moment yogo tena ina public parasa gusanga
na matanga no anyway.
Uno ko badenga for example pare yega pakari ninjenyerosi barabuka bagumangane wiki ya moko ironyerosi.
Yes.
Bono the moment ogocherero konyerosi they are on your neck. Ebago kuboringa kuwa gatangaze te pare
pakabono
nkiye garotaranyerosi. Pare ya tungainete obegere kibeza mu bugogore
uragire
ochire abwe pare kero ni proze. So to me nga deciding abona afadhalinkire
okire.
The moment you contract we para ngonyero bona I can be openly in public forums but having a paragete omo contract ujagira we next week ngorare ngo swari ground.
In what inga kiki tora tebe no mo MCO lire kibesa chi project gete
mo MCO ta
in what event tora tebe kiagara bono ekera o contract kurwa bugocha igego tebanga ige ebintu bikurwa libya ase mo governor gade somo contractor mukotrok doje ground ko implement ekwerende yo ko ngai ayo mno mwemsio yito ko soera ime
nakinda ego debi I can confirm ga onde assembly.
Yeah.
Ncherete yo mwemsie ara ali chibesa chi project because tabu ati access to funds chi serikali aseta iyo finingo saini ga ngabono chibesa chi serikali jirusu I can confirm it for free. That is why tabu ati minister in every department a minister of finance na kiego redeki
error
is the only person who authorized go sign chibesa chia project getenga tika chiaka
after engineers ba jire ground ba verify na ki
for example
egetajo gite kiale korosu gwasigete gerosiri to standard gerosiri kirege
for example egetajo kya Monyonjo is among ise bitajo bigo jakorosu I'm sorry to mention it is among ise bitajo bigo jakorosu egetajo gi the moment unabona onge begere around 250,000 the moment ge korosu ge kwera bono mo engineer ori in charge ya match ago je a site no more contractor umweshimiwa mu MCA Karoro mwagenda through the BQ tugakobekerekega tik doje noge korete tugakobekero beke chipipe chia maji nganiga no korete tukabekeke no korete ntoroje no korete stone pitching una the moment mogo nyanga biri byonsi mbiro bono mu engineer ago recommend omorigere certificate of payment ogendo process we county efoje ya to moda wetu Nairobi yagenda kwa approve ku Nairobi because we kabari yanki a project ye gwagano njarenga se budget onye teyo tiri gwagano igonga we everything ke gwagano we kageto ke se budget nkinta gete gote mo MCA and I want to repeat mo MCA tabwa tinjira our access pesa
kira
project
tikangote bika apoke nimbale bagendrete ko soime mbia kabisa soime amke mto from Raganga, what about daraja ya Riamogeni watoto watanguka ndani wakienda shule ka KMCA do something about it we beg.
That's a good thinking bono tigankwanire daraja hiyo daraja ino eninje nona ari gweta gongo gende tinga nandine bridge erenene it's not a small one because in a bridge itagete more than 20 million bono gano e challenge and then tageta bantu baitu bang understand e bridge I personally ninyero je unesare gete na aranye repair of course ne bibesa byane na amagoga sininiga erinda antu banye gutumia lakini ntagete ko gotebinga swa e ward itabwa tichipara nchare gwete ka Jonesby e budget ngire ni ya 27 million choka ntagete ko goteke batio minto e daraja ye tageta around 20 million for example was 22 kuringana na estimates chomo engine hoimo ki 22 million ogendo beke se daraja yo pero siku tubwatikende na 5 million
umwaku yumugima
yo atige na 5 million 5 million yeji ne paro chibeka goseni getacho kobe goseni class yo kobe you know abo nori swari ligo jirinda bantu baito na baro understand bago toita mon e budget to ko egu uno mo MCA nirenga a budget yoko uno mo essay ward how much 27 million ekero gole to mo engineer one daraja ito kwana in fact na macha yago te ago etaguru iga nyakoe mugusiuri noroi so njege ndonda ile goteba according to me onta gete go plan after 2 are ke bishiri chita chiparake 2 are osarosiri bi razi no energy school ibere satwenye tuarosi no ene bitajo bikeiga at least yo mwago 2025 2026 tumanya ko consider torenga ki edaraje ndanye begera for example 10 million ere osiku abwe erinde esego ikero monjini kuringa nice message cyo monjini ese mo contract ago nyekeri etigarira abwe erinde baratumia sangao bagweta nando mwako kali mutu kurunga 2026 2027 nande nyore bibesa binde nyementre emanya kuruorere igo it is a question tugende kwebuli twenzi une community tu ngaki ngaki muroji onko imuke 27 million ye 20 mbeke se daraje so the moment ningo beke daraje ri abantu abantu bale bakogoka and remember daraje ibone ere south konko ira na note muino onyorenga na baromba bwate daraje kogo jaga iga bigege mbabwate dara all I want to say abantu baminto onyendiri to konyora time yo koeresa abantu baito ba understand e budget ne ero tubwatenge na kigegera to kuri kwezi abajumbe baito because na barumba bwate kiti kerekene
barosia majiko
banje gaki chidaraja unajiruna bone daraja nene in fact tali county wenda hor you know ntune county ebi daraja to wenda hor ne ebi ya footbridge eyigura rosi eri bati abantu bagutambukira at least egoira around 3 million 4 million year we can be able to do it lakini daraja nene
muneliga
ekoba construct daraja to kwa na about na benga une daraja unabone iga nyakoerocha daraja tali siringi bere korose korosi daraja eri lazima uweke more than 20 million.
Okay.
Ne budget ngere gagia wono bata edembe ge daraja bangonjogera bantu nyundi
fair enough kwa mutebiri kagike muntu ko igure na kia mangana lakini ni tugukorera abuo no bwento liginkirende abantu bako support ilindorane na kie kwaga original na abantu kurusiko
already I'm requesting governor now that he is my friend.
Yes.
Ninche mutari nande bone binde bitini
omoire gerebu negete mosinyugo tambo kwaro somo gotambo kambo
gwe gutaka nabe kwanaga because bono manyetekero muntu na chata karosa rwe daracha
tratigirabo. Thank you my able MCA, please keep up. Ogero from Raganga biamano kigimo Ogero asogotolikira. Vincent Onchari from Kisimoso Choroganga amejaribu kufanya kazi but stima ngatera somo bunge stima eresense moyo mubunge
nabontegete goteba is good that bato inyuri.
Yes.
No ntutogori gasi amo no mujumbe mujumbe now that nero go deal na ndende amapping president yegere yajitega ja launch the last mile
connectivity ya yes
again they kero kia kan confirm nga abantu abange baje banyole stima.
Okay.
Already stima nege ndete go shurigero unabono kaminium stima nege ndete go shurigero ari ragengini ultimate nabonta ke thenge stima ero the majority baje babekero stima before the end of the term.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kemi Sabi following from Itongo Sengera biamono kigima as a ward MCA, what plan does he have as our representative in the county government pertaining youth? Morobili kyo bwate igoro yabasae kurua se ward yao nkyo bwate kende utatiga sports chirimoja mwabeka towards the end of omwaka geroji kwaera ingikende budget kiero ebikira aside yabasae as 27 million each.
Ntagete go tebi manyete and that is a good question.
Yes.
Abono naenda basaye kurucheni siaja na bato ire pressure. Tete ko bari kwezi naenda bachage kurani this way. Obugi mo go struggle. Abasaya bange ba decide go ikarasa. They don't want to work. I'm sorry to say it lakini we can get there. Abasaya bange ba decide kurwa mangana online age. Mbali kurwa za chisimiwa. Kugichomo sabwate esimi abwate pandos. I'm telling you nabako bese esimi the all day. Okay. The moment ya ukorora akorenge aki bono goikirange ndu kingora mu MC. Akorenge ngimijanda abwate yonse pino mu MC ogereta. Bono egento tete ko confirm chigasi abere chinkong. Tegigeroki I will confirm. Bono igakiro omonto tigachake gwake hesabu ng'akia kwirwanira omonto anyore siringi 200 chaye anyore siringi 500 chaye achake gwikaragari basoe chitaoni ga basoe chipaying center bachake gwikaragari ko ni chinchugu bachake gwikaragari ko ni chinyanya bachake kwegera gusona bachake okaragenda ngindagete gotebera inde ngichase kwarenga ase budget yeli ya 27 million chibe so gonya tubege toro ni chia sports choka for example
and it sport yuko ba December
na sports yi ntagete ko de bono na inde let me open it and I'm happy that work rate again chibe se je gere to go ka sports environment for nga to gende go bega tournament chibe se jiri chibe kiroro to construct a field.
Okay.
Echikane iri ko gende twara ni geti tubeke chi goal post only.
Yukayo.
Lakini budget ite yongora endole ngeli ngatigandu sinke mbekera aba na youth tournament. Bese chinchiyo ya
kaniko. Ni numo chipush that way because ne muguko ogorusi.
Ne ese chi tournament jiro chino muntu kubeka wiringire.
Okay.
Unabona mheshimiwa Teresa chicheni sinjia musukumalinde akabeke tournament igongalia.
Bakanya kugoso.
He spend around 100,000. Ekinege nto mu MC yako rusyo mubuko wiringire.
Okay.
O decide ko beka ngaki
tabetere irina
no
mandate teyo
chinchi ase budget the same thing unabona enchenda deciding aki December aba na youth mbagaresiko chiskuru nchifungire tigamputi maybe around 50,000 or say 100,000 aside banye kominyogeraga iga tukombi again tonta iteko tebinga aba na youth baito nimbwate unabona mbwaji polytechnic ibere ase vocational training center bwana ibere eye monya mondo erebogusero north eye nderaganga erebogusero south lero igaunango kwana abanafunzi bari nyamondo ebaraone ri 23.
Okay.
unango kwana lero igaraganga ase nkurwa nje
okay
abanafunzi baro bare engate na tanga zire in many forums
yes
na abatebiri ng'abana baminto mutagwanja mugendere gora polytechnic free
okay
nkaba promise baga nkaba tebinga registration fee 1000 ninje ngo baganira
okay mushimwa tikande dora tigira ga bucaragire jinse seto cyabono botuko ndaminyo ka samangana mayanda kuna masini nigo angijita kai komunisano osita kamera ngibere igoroiga amaburi eno na nyarorire oyo kurgudorin from Mosocho nindoche na roli ka honorable ametendea bogisero makuu equalifies mbiamono kigima Dorin na akarorire gabo na arorire no ndo ligire kwandigereria tali ya Wycliffe Mose ngoli gosomande SMS yao akeratugurana se egepindi gesegia kabere akaratogosuka abosio mbiamono kigimo mwanchu murigereria bagande semo ya kabera se dakika ya monkwerana toso ya samangana maya asenjira yobo ikiranu yekinse seto ichimugoroba yabono. Kigima vya kimo manchu murigelia ku television ya Ndizi TV chekire echize setone daike mo cha bono magaragova jini chise chiro kongo Afrika ya mocha biamono kigima na inde magaye kingise getangani cyumurubiri obweke umbu niko totate turasasa mangana majia tumakwiranira na inde tosoe asomurubiri obweke umbu bono amangana majia tindinje bweka goro sesemo ya kabire nigo tole no yokurukwana na Lydia Mose nero koletra mangana majia senjira yomuntu wabwe biorokelio abo igo producer yomurubiri yakurukwa Abigail Nyanchama mangana majia nigo tukuyo chaka akakurusi county ya Kisii ekiombe kemo kia Intersex Kenya Education and Advocacy yekobwatra na nekiombe ekemo CBO ya Madiva ni gobono baharigania omorobilio obwokorwa obosemia igoro ya mangana Intersex as sublocation ya Bonyando ime county ya Kisii bogukwana ni gobono aboibori basemiwe korokyo bwanjani gocha asebalia bale nomo chando yugose engane yo ya Intersex omo sakito dipon asanya ni gatarira ensemeyo no kwarigani roboti rukubwatia asenjira yubo ikirano
Ekiombe ya Intersex Kenya Education and Advocacy inse International Solidarity Foundation bako bwaterana na Madiva CBO nikubaina na amaigelio asabatureti korua Bonyando imeye bunge ya bunchari igoro y'abana bali bakwiburwa kurindeti bali kumanyererwa koba abaiseke gusabamura
Samaria Tandu Katani mo assistant chief Bonyando sublocation here in Kisii South igo ngwa kirambia mono sana ase organization ya IKEA asa ya tuarero na tuare opportunity ngia yo kurangalia abatureti bunabarai kubwa se binyoro byane byonspi banyari gosoma igoro ya mangana Intersex
igo nachaga igaiterio konyora masomo igoro ya Intersex CPO ono nanyorera masomo aramaya igoro ya abana bakonyorekana ase binyoro kwetera batemanyiti ngangi bali
ekerenga ekenene no gukoro konengetwa kwa bali bakwiburwa asenchereywe.
Working on ending stigma against these intersex persons, we have to look at them as people who are not broken and they do not need any fixing. Intersex persons are people like us and they do not need any fixing. Let us love them, let's give them love, let's not violate their rights.
Nanyana bo ni gobaegwa obosemia wokoro kyo bwanchani buna abana bande bwanchiri bonde botayo.
Twensi toko nyora masomo anga buna yaiga gatugoche kumanyanga kumbe n'abana bagaba kwibura muna Intersex na baro mumanya abantu taliye birema
irinda abantu baitu bebinyoro banyare konyora amasomo aya irinda abana abaguchigotoko onyora amasomo aya naroro banyare konyamanya buya mono irinda abana bambachikwirana na gusaba ibori abange batwara okwanjiriri asabana babo.
And we are out here to create awareness so that we can encourage intersex persons to come out, to be counted and to be identified and to notify the community and the society at large that they exist.
Teligento kerekegen ase binyorombaro naende twabeire ase chinga kitintambe tubaire tekobanga kubona n'abana bataikiraneti bose abana baragereire lakini yaro twanyorena abana bayana nabo banga mwana ndi bwensi ubwo baseke nyoro
Meyense ya Kenya ni gotore no mubarubu abana baiboire asenchereywe sabono baboliwe wesokya na kwelikia eri banyale kwenyorera oboene bwabo.
Countrywide, we have about 1,524 intersex persons, according to general census that was conducted in 2019. And then in Kisii County only, we have about 30 intersex persons. But again, that's not the accurate number of intersex persons we have, because when the census were being conducted, not all intersex persons came out to be counted because of the various reasons we have, stigma and security issues.
Kusangani kataseneki Ndizi TV bakoreranga abali baiboira senchereywe bagwanira tikounireri wakorende koye wali bagaligiya liyo kwemanya na kwegendereria.
As an organization, we advocate against IGM, which is intersex genital mutilation. These are corrective surgeries conducted on intersex children to place them in a box, either male or female. But we stand against those surgeries because normally when a child is not yet in puberty, we cannot ascertain whether this child is going to gravitate towards a male or female. So it's good to leave these children to grow as they are, unless it's medically necessary. And I mean medically necessary, I mean this child is in grave danger.
Ginko ripoti ya Ndizi TV korega segeti geterio kigotoka imeye bunge ya Bonchari imeye kaunti ya Kisii elitaria nenkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
no kigimo mwanchwa omorigereria gotigana na roboti urukura se county ya Kisii nigo togusuka busyo gwikase county ya Nyamira ase omowakiri Danstan Umari amochirie kigambero kubwatekana negetambukiro yaira egyo kumuna kirekina ekimiti nye 5 nomo ime eyechera omoteneneri w'abanyanyimbo yomanyikanite muna Gilbert Masengeli asebona tebina na chigo ikabusyo bw'ikigambirikyo na kwamukiri na kwamereria egetambukirikyo egyo komugania achie kogenda ase echera nyoro oroboti uruboiko.
Maamuzi ya jaji yale ambayo yalipitishwa yana dosari mingi sana, na ndiposa nimeelezewa niweze kuelekea katika mahakama ya Court of Appeal tuweze kubishana na kuondoa zile ambazo ni zile orders zilizopeanwa pale. Kwanza ya kwamba kule kuambiwa ajiendeshe yeye mwenyewe na bodaboda kwenda katika jela, hakuna sheria kama hiyo. Sheria inakuwa mtu anakamatwa kisha ile committal bundles zinawekwa kidole na mahakama na prison, ile ndio shahada inayomkubalia yule Masengeli kuingia pale. Pili, ile ambayo amepewa kwamba siku 7 aweze kuelekea pale ni kinyume na sheria, sababu nimeelezea kwamba jaji anapotoa uamuzi anakuwa ile tunachosema ni factus official. Hana tena nguvu za kusikiza ile kesi sababu amejiamulia. 3, nimeelezea kwamba ule Masengeli hajafungwa zaidi ya miezi 6, kwa hivyo atazidi kushikilia nafasi ile, atazidi kufanya ile kazi sababu hajafungwa zaidi ya miezi 6. Na mwisho nimeelezea kwamba ule Masengeli amehakikishia Wakenya kwamba ile kikosi cha polisi taifa zima kiko imara kulinda usalama wa taifa mzima, na kila Mkenya asitishike, asikiwe na wasiwasi kwamba kuna tisho lolote kuhusiana na ile ambayo ni usalama wa
Kutikana na roboti urokurasi kaunti ya Nyamira nigo togosuka busio. Oyo le obo sote nete kerogokyo wa MCA mwakili Evans Mirieri ni gobono bolirie omo MCA bwe wodi ya Gachuba omuske onsinyo obwaya gokora emirimo ya yebo ikiranuo. Boigo ligaya kwa nayo ase wodi eyo boigo oganiria abana kwirige tambukiro na kubwaterera chisemi ase boigo abolirie aboibori koira egetambukiro gyokonekia buna abana babo gonyora bale chisemi chisenyi echo kira tikobakonya ase amantuko alibusio
ekaraba akachisabu abanyoranga chibese chikoewa omo MCA towards bursaries echikoewa mo bunge chibese chikoewa mo gavana chikoewa mama county chaiwe ministry yenyene echinde chaiwe president igo chisa ini Kenya education yako wa free korubuno mwana ngego je school baka kaisa au kore university. So we should support that kind of a bill yakene to parliament mama county. On this we will hold you personally responsible. Because enjerera kishena mwana Kenya tadi kutoka isiko na tato gete band 1 gato gete band 5 no make education free. Na kwa make free is to have one education fund. Igonga ekerebi iraje before parliament, mama county, we expect you to show respect education by support that fund, by support that bill. Arrangera turag na kisa ni Kenya chia very affordable na andi chia gari miirwe na serikali. Na machuta wuri gente kemo Daniel yongira saba mama Bata vire na ki omo MCA okachuba omo inyorie na atakeire akore bintu biri Daniel bago saba na ande gochibono ota yabega let omo MCA me aki ngetu tikori kikaro watinje dia komorige korikero ga against him igabe comfortable una na yumo wata yabanga kana korekana aje momoro kiese moko beke bintu bino mune market aje smoko morokia moko agaja ebintu bigo support business related
biamano kigimo manchomo oligeria nigo togo suka abusigo chiesa robotronde igoro yechiseme magiga yoboroki wa university na boigo ligo tugutrare umurobiri umujia bukubwa tukachibesa eguchia ase aboroki wa university bono muwaziri bwe wizara yechiseme musike Julius Ogamba nigo iraniri ng'aniyo nigantebire buna ero olire ira yogo cha kweneke buna na chikobeke komiti eyokorigeria engane yokigima na kweneke buna aboroki wabwo na ekerengo gichisemi ngoche gwikirani gwakere asenchira ebwenerete yoroboti urwo.
While the staff would have genuine grievances regarding their respective collective bargaining agreements, I urge the unions to give the process of negotiation a chance so that all the parties can reach an amicable settlement. Given that most of the universities are just beginning the 2024-2025 academic year, which is expected to end by December 2024, disruptions of any kind arising from the planned industrial action may heavily jeopardize academic programs, including the many graduation ceremonies that have been lined up over the next 3 months. I therefore look forward to an amicable approach to the issue of labor relations between the teaching and
biamano kigimo manchwa omo ligeria andosia soberete mogroba ya bono kaito roboti orwo rumo ishimiwa bwe kurwasi wizariria yejisemi mheshimiwa Julius Ogamba na ngokora mangana maya asenchira yubikiranu ye mogroba ya bono kona koletera mangana ria aringitorogongo rwagusi kigima ase mogroba ya bono rinde tuskobosio togenderere buna kurupota gete chinsa ibere twasukira bosio egotwale no mheshimiwa kurwaria se ward ya Ebogusero omheshimiwa niga kurukwa ne Honorable Vincent Abuga twaragosoria mangana mangi go ya development na nduna rokorra abantu batagete gukwanira igo twatagete gukwanira mangana governance buna letiro muchando kulinde twasoire memono asa mangana development magendero rokorokana na araba na inchi batagete koigwa ande baburi ya maburi na aliga iga amange sana mheshimiwa karibu na inde semo ya kabere yo murobilio bwe ekeumbu ase togosuka bosio mabuli na rachira mange no riange no ready ko nyereni okay nari gotebana ki John boirire na gokire gokorora miguna kurwa bobasi bia mono kigima miguna kurwa sesemeli abo basi ate bagokire kondora bia mono kigima ano musani one kabisa to murene tali bobasi kabisa tukagosori thank you very heavy mungu na naruguru kwa Methusela congratulations na nyoma kabisa Methusela bia kabisa ali abantu ba ragiro mochere bia mono kabisa bono wasire kiombe gito bia mono kabisa tujitomera ngogolere ebatira bia mono kabisa karakirigo iga goteba iga mheshimiwa hello sir is it good kufanya project mingi but aziishi
na bonta ke goteba nganchi ko nyinge actually to kwenda ne budget to kunyara gukora gento kere beyond the budget no na teba we are working on the budget of 27 million you strictly budget 27 million beyond ya we ine megano because no serikali te wagana again don't take the ngeringa na inde ntagete go saba ngeringa the only thing remaining ngeringa as a budget ga go twairu budget ya 27 million o saba kwa nengoringa at least every year chibe se yar go babuya chinyare ko koregazi it will be my happiness
biomono togendera guchinse narega igori gete ribodi ya mapema ngatabango kubolinde oyanka itate betena uyo honorable ametendea Bugisero makuu he qualifies mbia mono kigima ande kwandikire litali yawo nalito kumanya bya kabisa mheshimiwa ko manyanga naye gwakwana magaro ya bono Doreen from Mosocho I think the MCA has really tried to the Bugisero people bravo mheshimiwa Doreen na bagoteba mbia mono kigima Doreen nari okoboli kabisa na kebati na MCA boirire oyu Wycliffe Mose korwanya koe nao etobaligeretie goika omoelio ekeumbu good work bia mono kigima nari gahiga aligete what do you do about ghost projects naenda kama nikulika how do you go about ghost contractors memetenga timenye tinki aminetira kininka ita kobori goro ya ghost project chirichalengo ro litangani
I think inaira niligente kyo or I want
perhaps
to say
maybe talengo
or I want to say ngeringa project yende onsi ya korwe tari ko era I can assure them ngateri wagano more especially ward yane I can confirm because every time ngo etranda as a department ko checking e para for example para yane tarabe ko makarabati yakani ustragan so the moment yego toka yakaniru I'll be on the neck yo mo engineer because that means you ne recommending agana igonta ketego tebanga this time around ntobwati what we call
ghost projects nchiyo no you can authoritatively
I can confirm
with just
I'm the vice chairman roads iko manyete
as a committee yebunge
as a committee yebunge as a county I'm the vice chairman roads igai will confirm ngabe ne para abo nchari ebe ne para abo bas through the leadership yo mugabana na bonta yetego denga we can't pay a project yende onsire agost
ayebono gwate bana ye vice chairman ni samangana yichibara as a county ngima ekerogo kombe amangana inu mwakolire so far wikira boniga nali akoretwa se serikali iri yaitete ikirango tepekanere na ghost project ngiri chalengo ro go ikarboniga can you authoritatively say na nchiyo ase essence ya boniga ase this dispensation yero
abonta ketego teba I will confirm nga go ikarboniga ntoraka na en ghost project na ndonye nditu akane anga yakwaniro because uni ino baraliga
lakini of course mo gwe kwana inwe
of course itari into gwagana I will confirm nganje tini gwagana ekinta etego teba nga as a ward and I don't want to talk of ni chinde unta ketego tanga as a ward yane so far onye neji para jiri agoru so far onye ne birasi uriye mo ngino lia gortenya arinya matuta na ungincha so course project ite yakane within Bugusero
ngokwanda tole ngiro yabasaye kara keigo na bangina perhaps na boromba gwakirite jikura na ende they expect a lot from you amangana yichichiro within your ward ngibwa korre lighting abangina ngota karaba ni kinyi mpaka saa 3 lighting yeji streets perhaps kubeka na emulika mwizi na mangana yabasaye igoto kubekira ni amo women and the youth
anta ke tote ba mangana streets race chiabe ko second toko kanga narik atotagete ko improve a system yo kubeka street lights because we realizing a street rise jiri chiabekire echiare ngotumia chisora ne chipetri people went around bakaiba demolish bakaira chonzi actually bakaiba chipetri abandi bakaiba chisora now natogenda back tokora repair street rise jiri automatically naende wikabaidi so otu change ti or we want to do otutagete to chaya go beka street rise chi gotumia stima toko connect ne stima now that we have go endo jigorina igorari of course nowadays era bakari gorina bakestima igor babutora chikepo igo otu change ti system this time around in torgo beka street rise ne che petri ne chisora another thing unaona bogusero ntubwate chi high mass chiri chinene ntubwate ya meroga of course as we are talking elimete I can confirm ntubwate ta yende high mass at Mosojo market nere elimete because ichibiri chitaraga no jestema unabona somebody will ask me a question ngaingi yagara itaraga no bill o mine mboli talinje ngwaga
okay
ejine bintu biwaga no bill ewaga no yons bikuru account ige department nda yote have failed maybe ne department ya runs because
ngo to maintain ebinde bikere kwata mne yelimete ikera no ngaiga jamataro chinde chikabe kwa tragora no maintain ebere and chiali mire chinde they are not doing ebintu mne biga who pays, who does maintenance, who does these things?
Tota ntego jibiri jire chiwaka no koru national government ne chinde chiwaka no koru county level unaona county level ego deal ne chikwende jire within the market chinde jire we
along the road
echi chiwaka no from national government
nainde na ubako beka nona bantu bako maintain
maintenance strict ringo ru national government
okay women and youth
a department ya agriculture no kwar ko nyora to bwata jibesa at least turanyara ko beka no 2 million asai for example usually what happens in turko abantu besa in cash otoko beka 2 million aside ne jibesa jijire within the 27 million jirije budget every MCA akogende se ward ya yorige what are the priorities unabona bugusera nabona ngo enda ndisaitinga ntoro si para onta gete jibese Jones pito beka site for example togole chingoko for example togole chombe for example togole chimburi tubagera bangana but the question is abanta bamba feeling jibese chiri budget chitaro se para ne chingoko chagulu abanta bamba feeling jibese chiri arengese budget chitaro se para ne chombe chagulu you know automatically people will feel chipare chibese chipara umweshimiwa ogoreki olire people will also ask nkigeko gara gora chipara choka atari gotorethera no energy project yechingoko abona oli swarire ontagete ko ba bekirege ke bebere kirenga the 27 million to kwa about na chitoko budget eri binte byonspi unabona for example mweshimiwa Okisi Central umweshimiwa Monyenye na begeta around 1.5 million aside apachezi ebichuchu abagere ebyombe weta so that means out of 1000 nabako gendo purchase ebichuchu bire what 1.5 million lakini ebichuchu ebi minute ogendo gore biri bya rendru at the age of around 2 months biri bya irwa maliogo chi vaccine chonzi koko bireta erinde bantu mbija gukwa lakini airandi something ngomugaga baada yo kolete bijuju ebi ebinge bya kwete nyuma bitara bagiru na n'abantu
inki treatment injira babi
egento kerioroje byanarire
liberera gete temperature gete
ebibekire mali now that we imoki maybe all the way from Eldoret mbakaga nkomera bira new
environment lakini mheshimiwa ndopo ati bantu bande bara hachi bijuju within the locality
of course we have them.
Why would we procure them?
That is why mujandoro rongo devanga ki we as government ndorko consider bari miyawake. Tako enda se company na ndrinde brande ko devinga egente kino contract ko we contract yo go supply.
Okay.
Nera ako gende sara nyara ko ne buri urere chip.
Lakini
naenda ako genda sara nyara ko binyora at park.
Bono egento na gotewa mheshimiwa neke. Oroche bono tutebe example kwa tumeka muno munta chiete ko sinel doret kurigia. Korode. Nande contract ayo koro sinoni kibara twaliri Nairobi iko the devolution boli
bono lendo maite bona bubu gambi tubwate Kenya You think this thing is happening only in Kisii? It is all over. But do you understand kere togora advertisement into kere gazette? So anybody can beat and win.
Yeah, but
Mondo win iguru Mombasa no mukani ngatoroga.
Na boye takiri to mukani umanyete. According to my opinion. Abita kiri to mukani why? To consider bantu banka.
What usually happens chikwere nde jiri kere chiko tangazo mbachi begete unabono imba begeta se woman or say youths ntobwate disability nobody class yake mona woman then tuama gutwara open tender ichibono umuntu ko kore kwende is anybody can win either disability either woman either umuntu rubia egento ke gwapen ntobwate chi project chiko gendo ni quotation bono quotation yijiga ese percentage gete na jito consider the locality but now the question is no ile mandate yo go decide thing atikanyale bako
as bunkeje county more course legislation in the country era deal ne bintomne
already it is working
na ki bono gote bana ki you as MCAs ekra mo ro de problem ina ki ndoko ena ne bintu bya go tsisiko okuputora no baro go poke bantu banka bali bakonyara ne bintu bindi bikorerwa so that jibesa jitu umaite karo jibesa no ni million no ni komi chiko circulate within a given location ngoleta jire economic impact ya
nesa that one is working because our local contractors ngokora bali chigazi oise kolige no ane lige kere tu aena nete for example chipara une lot I want to talk of for example Kitutu Jaji South what happened umugaba najo chipara isato from every ward
okay
akarusisa to bugusero maybe sato bugeka nini akajibeka ama akaomo contractor yom
okay
lakini after doing that I want to confirm chipara nche unabuga na begete chipara isato yani chipara 6 so chipara chyo kachia chete lot chika bagachi accumulate bakaomo nto yomo isato lakini another remaining 3 roads echia eturoko contractors roko contractors no mondo koru within Kisii County
okay
kwa nyure now igo gendo ndaite ko tebangeli nga tari ngambali kwa
kubali
they are given
but scale enke okay mbia mano Richard Ayoto from Malindi Kilifi I am inside mbia mano kigima ngoge Edwin Korwara Gangara Tandi continue with that spirit otherwise you have made Bugisero a shine mbia mano kigima how about funding women projects no up to whatever within the 27 million no jibu korusi kwao cheba arajibe gukando nini bintewe igo e percentage ni renga youth and the women project
lakini tagete go the chinke before tara igere so consider youths and women you know when we were doing a public participation abanyene na uba warwete chi priority
okay
nko babori ngaki so mwakoyo
nkimota tegete
to chagire obvious they will say tutagete chi para tutageta maje tutagete nyagitari chi facility barabuwa abanyene okonyora bebete no ena mangana youths and women the same youths ndate ko tebirereke to ko barangiri ni public participation they don't even attend
mbaiko rokora
yes
okay bona mushimiwa ndete bona turasukana indigo rake turakonera mangana governance na raro kandi gutwara umuchando kurwese county kurwese serikali yenene osikuligiria no nese serikali yenene kandi gutumege sambo kie serikali yenene tumago cha se chi county sa kandi gukora credibility ya bulire asi serikali yenene oroche ne gikwera mabuli ara mange gucheso murahibwense na ki project gite chigendrete roja basaimbre bagwoncho kana round kuligiriana chi project ye jina kichire chibesa chikobe kwa samakoko yo murahibwense njibwato muchano do you think neti serikali yechi county so far it could be serikali ye county ya Nyamira igera ne bwato muchando rocho mugabana babe kireki nalia ngana se bungeje county ngambate to amuruse sentunde yakabere nonye ne county ya Kisii ekero kuligiriria is governance the problem ndota bagavana batanda standard ekero already no roche none chi questions chinyinge chi abagavana bako wakero bako enda bunge ye senate kubwate kana no burai umugavana oyomo uyokoro kwa Kawira Mwangaza already nabegire isiko ekoti yo vegetari iko tubwato muchando o governance as a county ne serikali yenene
ndagite ko the bime chandere both national government
okay
and at the county level Oikiraboniga, I want to testify for the last 2 months counties in Jiranyora funds.
Okay.
Lero na dokwa na gano ene misara teraga no bakoligas. Reason nerely besan Jiraru national government. Because managers tutagete ko bremo abagawana, we will also condemn the national government as so cultural release funds. And at the moment the cultural release funds obviously no energy no development here go dire.
Okay.
Because nobody go and work minus money. Nkinta gete ko teba. Obora iboro butanda ine from a ground insa paka igorari.
Okay.
You know, when you generate from national level to counties, then automatically gentongeo kagenda. At the same time, mo iso koranga no mo koliga sitaranya re waganu mosara. Do you think monto inatu aro mo boko jobs gojo okoregas?
Okay, tago twara moyo. Lakini there is that tendency go se enjirilia bagabana vale kuligia bakubwatana n'ichi bengi ba chana gwakana meanwhile baganyirite kibese kurwali cyata gukoraiga.
We are doing.
Is that sustainable?
No, we are doing it even in case county. For example now, a county government inja request family bank ya akane misara mutinyo sawa. Already mbara akane denieli.
Mutinyo nane oetre.
Mutinyo nano
yokiandoi.
Will you go back again to request them bagenda tako ko bagenda ko amaden? That one will not work. Mwarimu sako used to pay your colleagues salary in advance mapema. Ayua wayanga mpaka barabu around here batene because wa mojiri kwa.
Okay.
So kinta getokoteba.
Okonyoro.
Generation of circulation of funds. Ya bero mochando from national
back to county level.
And at the moment the jibeza jiko ora the counties again tungeo geko gendra I can promise. Iko mochando noro. Gatora asoro mojando kurugorali and I want to say our Senator Onyonga is doing a very good job.
Yeah. Oversight.
Oversight. Nindo chenjira ko basukuma.
Yes.
Tuare konyora ba Senate kabira bali babe ikomiga. Kenya nabo yari korongia.
Okay.
Umuchando tuare una as readers. Ndutageti ukwana umane.
Okay.
The moment you ukwana umane no uji kwenyora ora ebieka.
Na ndo bekire
kando no kwenyora ora ebieka bono ko bayise ko tare bisonsoli because to kumanya no ene kero koja kubwato. So that means abara itwenso nyendi itwaita bangaki goikeraboni ge nafu is enough tigatokwa no man.
Okay.
That is the only way to run.
Lakini no nigo mwishimiwa akero kurigireria none serikali ene kurugoro. Yes. Is it nero to boneta ko blame asengenjo ya failure eji county ekera to boneta ko rabono ni chitu abaire chiwesa chioka. Ekera to karto kurigira chi wage bill. Wage bill mne ye county akizi nere igoro.
Yeah.
Ingon kaite boneta ko bera between 35 and something.
No, the wage bill is between 30 to 35.
30 to 35.
Again, at the moment, naenda mapi kwa red ratio at the moment, the wage bill ya Kisii County is at 68%.
68%.
So that means 32% inero yoka tutigaliti ya magendo.
Okay.
Then bono iskana moto sunyunda. Na bonta iteko koni famu ngabesa nchio chisa inicho kora magendo.
Magendo.
Chibesa chiemesare chire chinyinge wetani chibesa ya magendo.
Okay. Bono tugwaka n'abantu 68% bakoraki. Bacho obisi bayisaranza bahenda.
Bono nakinta getego gotebi. You are the governor complaining ngaba koligasi ebarabange. Okogenda obisi ya mone yao kwanyora abakoli bale within obisi yoka bareten.
Okay.
Emirimo bakora neyo. Omochando oro ino egaba nasiruko solve. Abakoli gasi bali getu abange bakaegwa marube permanent and pension. Monto ito kunyara como buta. Unless kwa mwaka ne dividends cha ijonsi umako mutire. So automatically monto igo ikawaki up to miaka liyo kolita ya magaraki. Amagurusi.
Koko mubuta uchire.
Lero iga abantu ngo toboli gara maswali ngaki kabantu bakolita ya nkiyego gara amabagai mutaratulika. What the governor is trying to do. Again ndetego temo kurwania ngaki nanya akwera ni wage bills.
Okay.
Igonga wikerero unantini na mapida tino ena bagusero nye bantire tigando one so te bangaki mirimote yo county ya Kisii.
Okulikwa.
Kulikungoyo.
Ase county ya Kisii.
Ikero kia ikani confirm na anna bongo igero mugabana. Reason neri.
Already tora abange.
Abara abange. Bone emine tonyo monto litaya umonta agoruzu gorwe department gete.
Oretwa.
Umonde ito ewe promotion guruga okore mirime yo litaye.
Yo litaye.
Na berego.
Mpaka wage bill yere ni dense
pake wage bill at least yote mire kurwaniare gosene ira ne ikeno nye 40% imesindikana
muchando noro
iko shina
muchando noro si county iko ntogo chako blame ba governor so much lakini ende before to barusirie blame kabisa what of development ni riya ko for the last 2 financial years ekaruguli ya county ya Kisii Inkiora county jogulire mai gote can you point it ayengwata ngo point yole chibara go point yole 1 or 2 things around in this county
you know ebintu ndakwane mono unabona bonde yote bangibire ndamanya mono ne bi ward yane tinko manya what is happening at weka tinko ma what's happening at again don't they go na chipara chiro jagane be able to explain no ward jabane because I'm in charge na bango ko dengi se department ye chipara so far as a department Jones P na rera afadhali because is ko ndo na department ya trade tera korabuya a department ya water tera korabuya a department ya agriculture tera korabuya igo wono na inje I'm proud this ogo egerange department ya ne roads we are doing fair kuringana na inje kuringana ne baje because it's also good that they understanding it one or the county as a state here almost zero unaona gerengo so ward yane parate yo yarenge kazi oikera boni aji para chinyinge chibuto gete chire chingoro cyo lakini ubu maana mboli atingo nyara go chitije chonzi no mwako yo is a matter of time ngonyo mwako na gora chipara isano oyongole isano emo oyongole isano ibere tonyi go sukaiga asengo ige na bongo batenga kinje una abuga se na temete na ikiria ona ikeretia because ne bibyonzi na argo tuare capacity of access jibeza je serikali njitumie njira ntagete yoli ganga chipara chonzi bo usero na ko
tiango borie why 27 million shillings njira te yo na machikara chenji gwe mai go even more money ekiagera ninu more closer to the people
One tiganda go boli
go ahead
tiganda go boli my brother na got everything wage bill here 68%.
Yeah.
Chibesa chia magendo chitigate is only 32%. Ngai nande tora rusi jinde tomente. Wono chirichiro na jitogo tumi.
Biamano hello John Kebati na otorigeretie buya ase kiumbugia siasa kore no MCO ito Honorable Abuga Vincent ekorwa bugusero raganga rogo Chris team hapana kosa motebie ndosiretio mumura okoro kwa Vincent Ogori Masenge bototo B ekenyoro pole bono kwa igure bono mheshimiwa Tebre pole ase ogosiria oyo mokorwa ase kenyoro kyo na bwiguru ase ward yaye biamano kigima manju murigeria gendra gontumera mabori yaonyo kobati iborio gendra go toma gocha elinde to gendre bono mheshimiwa biamano YouTube ngorigeria linda aria ndole nondo bekire kendororo oskuri ye serikali enene no nye serikali ya county karto jukwane rasi chance uskuli naona mangana development in terms of no chibara in terms of ibinto rinde binge bya njira akora anything njira akora binto binene so far
chiliche
serikali ya nene no ne county gocha njira akora kende why is it chibesa chitayo usono butumikyo bwe chibesa usin corruption iri nyingi
tagete ko tebi corruption teko yarake chwesa chinyinge jigo so ase mebuko ya barai chiro so ase amagendo
yes
njina argo jago firnga chisabali chipunguzwe
echumura ibwenza kane gutara ona baka bana gutara bali
as much as chitara of course ndogo chikana kabisa because ntwa ya nyene una Kenya ndoriko kwenyara ndutweka nega ne area agende for assistance as country chinde igo ndoko mori meeting atatara lakini nega ne iturigi structures chingao makitoko chaka ko tumia chiwe sito unabona sehemu ya education nganjire nkwane regenteke
yes
chiwe seji jigo tumeru kwanyoranga county ewa chiwe sia ye kuru basari umujumbe kwanya na wajiwe sia ya kuru basari women rep kwanya wajiwe sia kuru basari mo MCA tabu ati of course besa kuru ase basari
na chiko ya kuru sumu gabana
nkinta gete gotaya chibese chiga chomo women rep chibese chomo jumbe chibese chomo governor chiare kobekirani wamo
ano murai wense na bwate kiganja gete
chiakanu from national government aba chiare kogera chisukuru chibe free abana basome batari wakani school fees so instead ngabono for example a county erwe basari ali ikero mwanafunzi omujumbe arwe basari ali ikero mwanafunzi omo women rep arwe basari ali ikero mwanafunzi yuria raising omwanafunzi yomo nabeko nyarga nali ikero basari nabanda batatu
depending no bwango bwa
depending ngakiamanya ine n'abantu
yes
depending ngakiamanyete ko igumya kobisi mbaroro okonyora bakari mari sa batai kumanya no ene kere basari kare kwana
yes
agocha gutabukira after tu agore kwana ji basari
okay
so ngakiar ko abye jibese ji because chise ko be kwamo honestly na bachi ko isana chisukuru abana basome free
propose ju yarwe kwa naona rano no mo jaji mkuu Martha Koome hakwanire neyo abantu bande mbagendrete kwanire neyo ande ake onyege ababunge bagochiko bwatiriria no murai bwense abwatiririe na bego chikonyarikananga ande ake yakonyire ase amangana ye chisemi
ndaite ko debi na bera betenyarikana because sense meji basari you know ikina kige koni abajumbe
ikire kitwale gukwana no mubunge
nande lichike liri ko itiguru National Assembly
yes
ikona bo barabe mbali eti
nalengero mwishimiwa Steve Mogaka nkamuboria agantebina neba kongwake ikiagera matuka mange CDF inero umuvunga kale gukora ki gukora jibasi chisukuru
nitagete ko they for free
yeah
mbago etikente kiguru National Assembly because mbamanyete nga
Koko baura CDF
basari nere ko gara ba connected direct to
abantu nere ko rabana njiba mubwati kurumaiga
basari nere ko gara umo jumba manyega because yo mongina one siali kirwe basari akogenda nka amanyete nganyale bo moebe so chiwakanero mwana iye gikero ki personally njina bonsa betenga yar ko nyarkana ke bageti ko from National Assembly kegende geti kwa the Senate eskuru ebe free wangesaidia watu wengine na mbali wale ujirisabu umebatari kumanyekere basari kwa nani yeah
byamana mabodi na ratiri gaiga ndagete nko bodi kabisa simiana dimantie yalima digango ndahirigira liga apart from building classes what is he doing in schools apart from building classes what are you doing in school
ndagete ko matebi at county level otogo deal na ECD
yeah
to deal na vocational training centers
yeah
ECD have said amangana yebiras abarimu so far very soon abarimu ba ECD I'm very sure ngo mugaba na bwate program
yoko bariga
bache balikwe the near sense mo ya vocational training centers now I'm happy that umuntu yobori ndagetantegerebuye twasugumire abana abakore school abandi bategere school njera bacho iniki vocational training centers batagete gochi
inji kwa njitali equipped amado ukuzuma abantu kucho usengita bwati enough courses jiri batagete
ndaite ko koboliga for example find your time wa normally otare for example raganga vocational training centers
njikero
yenda nyamondo training centers cover almost chikosi chonse
ngorobali driving
of course here I can't entertain because into bwati roli gari but why do you want to join driving kero mondo no it's very simple squeeze kero mondo gore gari agwe drive
it's all right
why do you want to join driving
okay
rongo go chiko de kero mwana wa de driving ndaite
okay mechanics nero tailoring
mechanic is there masonry is there plumbing is there hairdressing is there tailoring is there chikoze ichonse nochire lakini waachire unabona for example waachire kwanyore ng'abanafunzi ebare 16 boka do you think account netuma abarimu bagenda kwikarasa ali bonsi ipi barendeta abana 16 let us be honest let us do it practically
ingi moto goko maite sometimes osukurigire none private sector injira nere yaachire ekare gwenta isi ebinto maite ebintu bino ukorokana serikali biko tuworo byaba the old school way mubegeta aburiyo katiju magoso nebintu gete is there a way murigetie no ni courses kigete kire friendly
tubwate computer package atiraganga polytechnic onyerendi nebintu byekisimi bagatagete
IT bintu nebyo
IT my stage ne to remember that one is a vocational training center that is not a polytechnic unaboni gaika ni confirm abana bagosomara gange polytechnic abakuru bonjari
mate
yes boni yangise ko debi ondetera abana bakuru within raganga bagosomara ganga isoni tu. I want to thank abantu bande bakurura because barabuba itabire nabo begeta abana raganga abana bande bakuru mugumu koko genda nyamundu abana bakosomoro abange bakuru igorari santa abande barurera made within nyamundu abana baro ogonya bare gosembata toboka so nga within the facility kwanyora ngabasai no bari mambi saa moja batini ni parents.
Is it expensive gosoro?
How expensive? Because it's a free education. That go they una bono bali ba join the polytechnic raganga they are around 24. Once pina bali kirete basari kero mwana orengor. It is free. Nkamanya kuronga danga uwevo da go join no engo jagra mambiante gerabia. Again ragange polytechnic ninche ngo mwaka na registration fee. Ekina atebire bonye mbanya ko yungu kwana lakini na akero re several. Onyo ndinaro daite kugenda nyamundu ate ndi kujagira mambi ninche ngo mwaka na registration fee ngochaga tore kuri gaji basari December January the moment itoko chaga kuri kaiga a principal nere ngote ngaki ndetera marita ya banafunzi ba nyamundu ndetera banafunzi baraganga polytechnic bareta bonsi inche ngo barigere basari kuditu chiri cement for lunch that is school fees yes baneji besa jabona ndi bakoraga.
Could it be na quality of training in ororo tili up to standard? Nerera gere ande agikoba.
Ntaite ko koboli onya quality te yoro nyaole te ya. Why can't they join it there? That go there and I'm saying this. Na ande butambe ngo te ban ngonye ngo jikosoki kuchikura 2027 yokobangu kwa no man. Jam ready to go.
Okay.
Lakini go ikangerese abana youth baito ba minto lero igabangange mbanganga. Tigato tiga concentrate maji asachisibi. Let us wake up tumanyanga ki asiya ikere boni ga bayiboli bagatoire school. Bono ya ikire chance na intu na banafunzi gosona bali tu ago to bwende go struggle toje ko konya bayiboli abayiga batoire school. Erinde nga mambi ende muiboli emiaka tetene ningo gotare na atageto mondo gumugore sukari na atageto mondo como kuramu beka no ega ali mumotari ya at least yo muibo nero feeling aki na ile to mwane school. Igonga gendo ke gonga skilled courses no nyani nchabuga I went through polytechnic.
Yes.
Now I'm here. Masomo tayara make. Ntaite ko debinga lero iga nga mwana ataranyore grade gyo ko ande university. Kuikira iga aro chinga tasomete. Moiso nde tuarengo discuss ye case gya jo.
Jo yo mo.
Kwara aro go interview akaba open agateba ngaki anyote D minus. Taliba that. Lakini out of konyo D minus omentera masoma
yo kale
is a PhD holder. Tali ere means mining right now.
Na ndale worth over 2 billion shillings.
Na kingo tebingo mondo anki omugima naboko bojaga from nowhere.
Mpuko the formula.
Amasomo naboko nyajaga kuruga ali sikwanyorta atware meaning yeso. Igonga mondo taba isa konyo grade gensa kwa moyo nga wikira igo bugima no boereta.
No bwate any inchirendoro perhaps moko involved no na chief no ne whoever. Ekera at the end of the day abana bago toka isiko it's a menace. Ne egera baba drag diko chino nguchwara. Ekera at the end of the day ninu bago kusumbua mna barai. Ebe na mwagambi, ebe na yo mo MCA, ebe no mubunge or anything.
Wakore public barasa jiko bangu na ba chief.
Okay.
Na ba assistant chief batuleti baroro. Twamekiri kitangazo severally na ntagete ko tebange kusi chigose chigasi chamaboko. Nchibu ati miaka, nchichore te miaka. Mondo bako yore 40 bako yore 50 kan join. Around.
Okay.
Because masomo tabu ati bagoto. Nchenta gete ko tebalero iga. Ntebe nga ngonye to ikere to manage tie grade ge kurunga ke go kwere university ose ke go kwere college.
Yeah.
Make sure we join the polytechnic, make sure we join the vocational training center, make sure we are skills. Skills ejina ijigo ja go konya mambi. Otherwise go ikera boni ganda go tebinga to ise go teba twenzi pinga ne university to go genda ngo ja kuliko yonde.
Muchando nobe.
Ngo ja okoro yonde gas. That is the question.
Okay. Momborie, about the recent bills they have enacted in the county assembly to create an enabling environment for business.
tagete ko gote bono I think oyunera abwatera gati lakini let me repeat myself.
It's all right.
Nateba that's among the ebintu biri batagete torigenjere yo konya youths nabangina maybe with the disabilities. Ndagete goteba nga a budget ere limited to 27 million to everyone. Echina ichibes to plan beyond the unto go atebesa chine.
Okay. Yeah. But in terms of bills or anything,
bills mbore kine inde propose unabona for example na ajira unabone market ya raganga abantu bakoreta bakoreta je propose guse arguments yote unabone jire ebwende koru run demarcation. That is when nkorosie kuirende ngenere assembly the motion. Yeah, bills imbara bwende korosia batoyereri togena jiro je assembly.
Okay.
Yeah.
By the time he'll be out of office, will the roads he made in the first year be still usable?
Of course, na bego nyaga na jabu tokira. Bona abu no challenge here because I want to confirm e paro ma ete ogoroz within 2 years na nde abu tokira.
Koringa nembre go tuo go the quality of the barreros.
Not even the quality. E para no nyerozi to standard because no more mutugo be. You know, unless unabona mabintu abete jibesia maintenance inke goirinde tuanya go maintain elijipara okora maybe go senaga tongo kwa beka bamura bakorora kwa baga na 300 usemia ine egento ndai de confirm gero kingeringa epara tu aroseti umwako mutangani kitambo toko genda to ga 5 years na bonya ipare na ende auto
ne irorwe
oko irorwe ko bwatinga ki wakore jipara kwa bwate unaone ward ya buserera nene. There is no way ora jai ko irole par echinde chisabite. Yeah.
Okay. Tianda ligeriga igana inde libori elio lia mwabondo likobwatia. Why can't all the bursaries be handled by CDF? Because we have seen CDF doing better than national government in money matters. Why can't all the bursaries be handled by CDF?
Ono te go te yo rete riswali ara toke na bwa to mujumba go support atagetenga kanga che terona ono te go te bi and I want to repeat myself. Chibesa chons pin instead jigo ba andod na CDF tigango chibesa chibe ku amo babe kama soma be free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Abigail digerie message na go tomeire Linde o communicate gocha asende bija kabisa biamono libolinde na ndeli traira gaba we have seen incumbent MPs getting being defeated even with CDF being in the hand, so I think he is not being truthful na aba bunge bale batuangerunze asengejo nonya babwate CDF.
I suppose umbore ko bwate uno ko banga jibesyo because boniga ndete ko de bintu bwate bajumbe bagenda to kolega singi lakini bakugerwa every day. So it determines nganga ki ayomo yena ore closer to your people. Yeah. Yonga jibesa cyoga jya CDF njiko gero oirekura nentagete na ndo tu are time yokobera nabantu bao
obakwanire biya kabisa
obakwanire biya obatebi gigwa koru mwako egyo plan ti gora that way.
Okay. Biya mono mheshimiwa kwa kwanira mangana biya kabisa nono yole gokoboria mangana mange kegima biya kabisa Doreen from Mosocho, I think the MCA has really tried to the Bogusero people. Bravo mheshimiwa biya mono kegima message na nimbwate yende gaika ande ake tango daligiria naro gokoboria maswali ya mango kurukubraya ni Moindi nere ora sinara ikote banga gwekwanire biya kabisa kwirwanire kabisa korokana nomo ngo kolera gukuririale sana ando takakomanyana naki esimiane nere gaigete kolima Abigail timetene kwa kole simiane rero bono amaboli ande nakio koroje ngo struggle kunyaligia ndrago se ninyo amaboli ande abana inchi batomire gocha elinde torole nana kigima mushimiwa ande akenubwate ngane ndekera ndo chinsa chaere tutigate chinsa taikaisano na ibere ngento kikilioro cho tra kwanera gocha somo na inji otagete omukwanire elinde torole na na ki akomanya ngaigwa ikire in terms of magendro project skina ndo begete kuchubo sigaiga otagete chicho kira urajikore na indi asubwa ngoiga
ritangani nganchire ntebe ngambia muno onari gusaba abantu ba bugusero bang'akirete chikura chinyinge sana because I remember I managed more than 3,000 votes kurwase ward ya bugusero and I want to promise inga ninde tayari okore gasi kuringana na uwezo wangu kuringana ni budget yelitoire kere ward egento kyoka ntagete ko basaba ngeringa unabono yesterday narenge around Nyamagoma understanding ipara nero resarigeta lakini I want to confirm ngatari arayo ke sarigeta chipara chisarigeta bugusero ne chinyinge
yes
and the reason why ntararo siebinte byonze is because the budget ngeire erenge nero ngo budget runa ono 27 million umwaka oria oyo erete inabegeta around 16 million ya sechipara
yes
oyo igabono tukukwana na mende tejibesa ke rinde toro gusentori mechipara chinyingaka then the same thing to ECD classes umwaka oyo I will confirm ngoro timbegeti class ya ECD ase nje budget ya migete nabegete chibesa nke ase nyagitari ya Matieko dispensary ngabega chibesa chinenga ase raganga health center ngabega chibesa chinenke ase market ya Musojo toro gusento improve mangana renovation ya mangana street lights
yes
igonta itego sabange binte bigotoko bikora ka kitoko kora bintu byonse within umwaka oyomo to kore mapara Jones pino mwaka oyomo bono minute onye twari meteji go mwaka oyo oyo iganto bwate jitokorema 2025 2026 into bwate bitokora 2026 2027 into bwate gitokora the new mwaka oli bo mwali 2027 bone budget eli ara to jikorosi eli ego jikonyoro mwe msiora to konye ninje ngonye tumia onye noyo jikoboro acha kiroro ontagete go sabo bole mereri sana kuresa abantu baito ba understanding na inche onkorosi budget nako bananye ikiase executive ye ko ready by the governor ochakira abuna acha gusuma so gusuma kwa nese bali bamanyete ama abitatinga no energy ward jinyinge bamanyete nga nje so gusuma no mukongunde na gendo kende gyonzi kera se program kyabugusero I want to assure them nga gwikage koregane because am now abandi mbara nyuma ninga tokurwana gabana
naona tukoboria kwara rutetamagena sana kwara rutetamagena gochibuo mugabana timatinga igwegete oga chibara kwa beta allocated kwa etu chibesa okagero chinje birengere ose kwa gatumirugo
kwa nengwa bwate mini
ntigeta arenge bia
okuga kwa nenje na bwate bobino mugabana onare kumwenyoringa gabana gentengera kola
lakini ndima pema yali ngisiro mwaka oyomo na ine ngwate bana ki no gusiro mwaka I think na ine ngwate bana chibesa ngonyuru chiri
ngote bibono amario ya na arenge so mwaka 2023 2024 budget ine na Rwanda out of all kwana na kugwageranje na remeru jibara cyane Jones 6 of them lero iganda ito tenga chiwodi chinde njiro paka chipara cyabo chitarayera bagale
pi
igo sometimes ayibono kwana to kukumelingwa gwate mini ndaite ko gotevinga na ngombe ndio sikirite iye tari kwana ngayora manyere nganega ndiye
eyo igotete
ngayora ganeli omanye nganega neriko kamwa because ye ngombe etarana ngayuko manyere ngombe injari
neta kitembego
so bono go kwane na yoko iweka
okay
bono go kwana ndete go confirm rero nkwa gerete rero iga tusikaine n'umugabo na kiyambege igo because iriya raising no mumane na gamutebi
yes
wetera ko motebi umane ugundu ire ngo umane fini kumbe no nyore ukwana tari segia gwate nje ngo nkonyari no ko mukonyo ukwane na kugo gera bona deli I want to promise you na bono
are you saying ina bantu bata igo kwana mbara konyo
turikora abantu bakuga paraga tari mo kwana mwa the news mwaje uta
of course lakini bono according to you
odiane kwa mwajiro kwa the news
aye no mubunge bo ODM
yes
mubunge bo ODM lakini rene ngoro takwarenge Jesus gukia so mugabana
no tari gitarinse
ngikyari
mbere muyane yaho basaite naroga enaro ko inyuri gabana ngaki atwacherera bono rina nyorete nga oria raisiri ngabuga mangana gonde no maina kandange tukakwana agande ngo mwishimu maina bwa Kristo ebintu biri kwara gonde nawo bikorete nawo biri
moisiransi tense aye no mugabana
yeah we sat down more than 1 hour
Mwesera sokukwana.
Sanze tukaro structures tukaigwana boni gumanye tuko no mugabana oinije gwago.
Karatiga. How best can you describe umugabana? No muntu umugabana. Umate is a leader. And go ikatomo discuss esenga injo yake. Yes tai yoga iga. Lakini go ikatomo discuss why esenga injo is our leader. What type of a leader? No muntu go isransa senge mukwane birengerelio abire na inde abikorere gose.
Tigan confirm rero and maybe as bali batara mumanya. I want to confirm nga governor himself no muya. Lakini abantu bamusaraundite na batari bari.
What do you mean?
Nandi tari bantu bandi my fellow MCS.
MCS bande bali angeno mugabana.
Ndete ko devinga rero iga governor himself is a good man. Kumugo ikarasa mugwana muko reason together.
Abasongo bagoteba iga. Tell me your friend, I tell you who you are. So they cannot be far away. Rende kanyo kogoteba no muyena aba bale babe. Lakini if he's having them as friends, that means there's something they share in common.
Ona kingo gotebi now that into a mwereso man and he has realized that is why is ko rero chi sabali ya jinge tababu atimon. Ngwa kare sometimes bag gawa na ringo doka se function kwa nyora na wa MCA no in 20 study. Have you noticed nowadays ngoba road to iko monyo ina function ka rero etu amotenga ki set your mind. Na ndi twara chinga kinaye itukurindo ikaraze ne family yao otumwe.
Okay.
Actira ikagavana now not an MC. So that I will confirm rero iga for the last 2-3 months. I will confirm nga kurutwa ikaraze denze tukaligiri solutions.
According to you, aba MC bali bali kumuncha kana ntabikeye mboro je bali komo.
No, ndagituko kebeka sembe kikero kim private and confidential.
Batrinde bali koroka na lindi.
No, umuchando mono barenge ora. Obaga muirire bitina mono.
Okay.
For example, unabona nje na umuntu agudicide yako bamangana te umaitu mwishimu avuga taku support. Ako kwana wewe bona kaba no muntu itigana nere, you know. Okay bwata unakereso.
Bono rinde no gwata rinde no muya ikiagero sokonte bine ki John ke bat no moibi ngichengo te biboigo. Na haye tora chungusa omanye go sino moibi algo stereo moibi obelieve boigo na haye no of course no bwata mamocho.
Now that you chunguzire na ndo ria raisiri. Timai tigo sa nkwa igwete ntwa bage tunga the COP15.
Na igwete ke tumnekyo.
Ayo awanga the COP15 squeeze na buwa basani baga bana bana. Kozi ria raising abanda o mine tarise gibare kondwani ngongonya bari ngenderi. Itugondire na jita ese studio ukanyungora amagaba.
Okwale kobori the last time talk one the interview of course inkwale in good terms nere igera na lenge na one meeting gete ya me akora kandege tiki amuso chogalia you were one of the people uba kwanete during the ngakie na ende muli toa maneno sana mwa tutejiza chinkong sana na mugaba na tego koragasi bia nini almost immediately chingakie jina litokwanete naye ngade it was that very day na to abatega kurwa burende gocha tima itina nkio mugaba na kuruterete muguko na bora nyolo nkwaragira taye wanjirana
I will confirm
tuli etigende
nabongo tiana kabisa nganje gaba na taranga besa nje abuga I usually talk my mind na ndeje tili kurama muntu oje go kondra ngoja wigira sengo kurama yo kwangose nje I'm a very soft man nesura yo kana ngo tenda ando nesura yo kambwa tere nkari
lakini moisranzi
mbwate ngole ate ya bantu bana anda mambi tatia bantu bana mbanga understand it
yes
njoma ile kimbwate ni mbwate ikonta yete ko confirm aga okoirene na kwana no mugabana ongo gete because after realizing abuga no maina na konte that is one angle
umugabana aratoka nabwata mamocho mumurikire kusaba bigete muguko mwensi muno umugabana unyamiro maite bonde kana ari gichinjuo umugabana bwe county ya Kisii inumna ba MCA buri muregari eratoka okora mamocho ngumurushie kabisa mumote bina bono twagechanire na inwe umugabana twagechanire naye asenginjo turakora mere mubuya igoto tegete tobeke motion of impeachment inumunya ariko kora boigo
from my side
pero
igo umugabana eto ketara deriva onkwera na seredi na nongo kwani njamuhia ku make sure na protect the governor aderive
okay
lakini onye tara aderiva na ndo igangwana because I know that no akero mondo chingo bi otarakora. I will not.
According to your rating, Yomugavana, right now, yes. 2 years down the line.
Onta que te goteba, tinko be kamagi siara manga. I can confirm because even they bingo minor on the chere. That one I will say it for. Even they binge to chere, haijarishi was a mana healthy, haijarishi was an inky, lakini is at around 50-50.
Go performance Yomugavana so far.
It's at around 50-50. Governor is my friend, and I can say. Ono manye te ayo nanye kuana because kuringana na mirindo je bya kolekana na se word ya ni chi word chi nebi tegerengo kuana yo na bono anataka kubeke gende very clear na bona bo mundara arenga for example bugekeke simage kolemu onyole bugusero ngeri kolemu somebody will ask me a question why ige simage kolemu bugeka getari kolemu buguse na te banga it depends no mo MCA kuringana ne priority eriko segendo kelia ro cha bantu baya batagete mono na kyo I can decide una bono deciding aquí around here on target ko beka 10 million for example so much with the interest in aya yanchi ko drill ko sene boho lakini the question is kwa beki the 10 million chance irenga kwati kali ko beka as healthy irenga kwati kali that is the way to
ekero kote no mugaba no korrebia industrialization ndiki akolilo se county ya Kisii
onta to ko boli to project ye kuna ebo machoga ni leader ya Ngerkwanda so far ine rewe kwende project to ene ku national government county government besangi
jimine jichoka ru all over industrial parks
maybe interview you realize maybe interview going from national government so don't blame the governor in Chagore because some of the projects going from national government again the ni fund document jo
lakini rende as a governor na raba ndokora his beat chi county mna jiri kwaro ya makweni baba ate bindo mango juice and stuff nini intungi to bwate keria ora point back at home tebe
again
ngito bwate igito abegete go sene avocado I don't even know ngai chiberete what do we have in terms of industrialization to create jobs
we have an industry avocado at the ATC.
How operational is it?
You're not aware.
Any may there are in Cororo. But
it is operational and that thing
a program here in Gurukare, in the Gocha Okora. At what capacity? Effects Kikebuate Savant of
you know, it's a small industry. Don't expecting it to araba koliga asia bangi and it depends na supplier singanga kipago likwende unabono yuria is avocado o mane mbulinga echiboli tegusi the reason why aba ikoyo bago jabani bagusia bamanya waso avocado igoro barora everything once barora avocado li eko ira another 2 years imaya kwa so umuchandoro another the program tuachagite we want at least to be register every word as a chi avocado chikoyeru chairwa ntu atagete ko industry ni ya chaga bugirango ya yemis only that yekarete siasa njaji kugenda ono naende ono nchogo mpolo living bitandenge
tene bitakolengeti inuni mokoligerio mugavana moko mo oversight na kingi yakolire development wise oroche boni gato export lebe nyinge sana kurugusi ko Nairobi utwana koraba ikoyo onye ndiyo company muno bware ngema go se bwakira angobone na jeri echete Nairobi ekwere na gaiga abantu abo bagache gusi yaito but so far ngwate banga 68% nero yake wage bill yechiwe sigotumeka igolende tutebe kende ngeyo ekiara 68% 32 na chicha development ne chi 32 ninu perhaps moko egwa cheje chi word so tuwebe gento na industrialization to export ya bana kuruka bakora bagenda Muranga bahenda everywhere ndio tuwebe gento from this county
muchanga tuchagete bondi o chagete corona bajete ko form county government The mistake happened in Elinga, our colleagues very too much. You know, onye ndiritu kwa tachiweza chia magendo chira at least no onye 48%. Kangabono mangano nechi industry na buto kunyara ko chishulika. But you realize we have only 32% cha development. Chiweza chire ngoko rusho weka se chi industry, ire ngoko rusho weka se chi market, na ndire ngoko tigari chigenda for development.
Who do we blame?
The last regime.
Solution kero.
A solution around the world, the solution in it is only that bono a minute in Jirija our colleagues back over reduced from the county government. Other is on a wage bill, they will announce.
Don't realize industrialization, don't realize anything.
I'm telling you for free.
From now to 2027, do we expect anything different as a county in terms of development, chinene kogwech moko uchichi county church wards and whatnot?
Of course, and the urea is a project in an age going to national government.
Ichioka, lakini county government
the president was here
a few weeks ago. Yeah.
My tapping and market here, that is something going from national government. In two counties, the reason why having to be at the counties, no according to be within our county.
Our level.
Also a ward, una one ward yane, yara ko bang industry yo kwa na ngano kwenta kwa usero. Kanga bono liona buang questioning aingi wa industry yetaraja. Angana akire liyo kira litu. Lakini bono nonte vinchi wa kiri yogi e ward ya bande kale ko sembu macho.
No to na bota akora ro patrinde na wanda kuli sign sineki onye tiracha no ni litera akora iko chances choko chabu oteyo.
But the question is, industry park ya vekiro macho. Ngaki abantu bana babo usero babo jo pena bi.
Bantu na boka nyaranguru barana bakulikwa. Abakulikwa kira within gusita kisi county.
Tigato tige kunga indi.
Mbakulikwa.
There project here within your ward. Nere ranyaro konya bantu. Oda ite konde binga bo ningi mukiando ko usero for example mbaire baka south mugirango bakikulikwa se suga industry.
Chikware.
Abanyane baje.
Lakini mbali aba gusi.
It's okay.
Igete division tokoleta.
Reason inkuogera neri ngaki onko represent abantu bana babo gusera. Lero nganda imuki abantu 20 kurwambaire industry ye Chikware tabaka banje ruriko.
Inki batalikero.
Obviously abanyane bakubona ngaki n'abantu babura.
Okay, tubu atrisosi ende buo. Tubu atrisosi ende tate bosene Kware, bosengento kikende gyonse. Na siti mini bantu ba mbakuliko na ende bale county ya Kisii.
Ndate ko tena bakuliko. But after struggling
twatagire ku divide the country to divide the county
nakinta yo de bigenda ga bosongo naibas so naibas me orara bakoli bale magazi ma
tinda akora research abutin ko te
yeah, that's why I want to tell you so naibas morangi abakoli bale gazi mari na bakisi county
bale baruwete isiko kiara na gara okora alindiri kwa bago kwano muno olia kwa iguna baya
so nakingo te ngaki let us consider the locality abantu bali bari within the structure ye byasare bigendade tigange percentage ye nebe nganabanya because gero mundu nagwateza
mojibyo twachakire kubakana kuzibona sengenjo yemere mone bintu binde igombia. Okay, funny, remind him that many poor families come to know that bursaries exist through CDF. Before CDF, the poor knew nothing about bursaries. Let us not try to kill CDF because of selfish interest. Does it mean when he wants the national government to handle bursaries, he is a friend to the president?
He must be a supporter.
Supporter, yeah.
National government and bursary.
Yeah.
And national government. If we give a sage go to Magoja counties, bursary, give a sage go Mujumbe, give a sage go a woman rep, but you make shows Yamo, Chikoba, Southern figure, give a sage in Vago.
Okay. Meanwhile, yes, ndetre kwende esimilia anendole osinimba message chindi chitrali kwabo agaro kero mheshimiwa toka ndere korora kana kitoko kora alafu mheshimiwa, how do you rate yourself in meeting yonsi ko wachirega?
Ndayete ko watebi we are 45 MCs. I must be top 10. If not top 10, top 5.
Yeah?
Top 5.
Aye?
Yes.
Ase aba MC bonsi piko se?
Yes.
Or top 5?
Ndai go te for free. I've done 12 roads. Ndai to jore to mo MCA ga confirm e okoriji para 12.
Okay.
I've done 3 ECD classes. Ochone to mo MCA ga nera confirm.
Ebya akorire.
Na irire emetungi ebere in my schools. Na alipeira maji some water springs. Na alipeire borehole ya Renge Nyamondo. Etanya gutwara maji for 3 years. Na rosi echo Raganga. I've done some everything. Reto mo MCA then you compare.
No tsinaki.
Correlating I be go jonde.
Biamono. In a fraction of a minute. Engana ya yomo ali kucheso mwana inchi chisa chaade.
Ndagete ko ganelia abantu ba busero ngambia muno. Ganelia abantu ba Kitutu chaje ngambia muno gutambegere ngoja kwegera abantu ba busero. Kwegera Kitutu chaje South Senju no onkuragera. No menyete na ende bintu byande byonse binose. Baganelia maya tusabira na maya na ende badengo burai muntu muto gonya.
Yes.
And I've always said nganja buga goranda neligoso. Libagali okonda mali bali okongongora. Ntebi.
Kakio trakora pitika nkwana mangana abere. Mheshimiwa from Innocent Raganga Bototo village. Mheshimiwa mbiya ore ase ogoteba ekene plain truth biamono. Naliga ogoteba gaiga. Biamono I saw some roads in my ward done only bush clearance and earthworks. No maram, they are left incomplete. Is it inadequate funding that prompts such? Why are many roads done without outlined drainage system? Engineer Sebastian Oching.
Let me repeat again.
Yeah, briefly.
Ego depending on chipa serenga chabe tujabera rokete separi.
Okay.
You realize paronye enge 3 kilometers ebe kero maybe for example 2.5 million. Don't expect pare yeremu ebe ko moromo ebe ko makarawati ebe ko everything. Pesa inchiguisa. Actually una nateba korosi para a kilometer. Ebe complete wada makarawati and everything you must spend 1.2 million.
Okay.
Yeah. Igonye pare ya yetu it depends ne PQ uno mo engineer or that depending ne chibesere ngachibeke.
Okay. Mbuya abuga agokwana na inche nkoboria kurwa bugia kumunyanchwa ekerole chipara chia open omongo tara toigolera na inde political ntobwati bugia kumo. Okay. Omuralia nsomere chipara kurwa enyanchwa ekerole chipara chia open MSA omo MCO ito omongo tara to igolera ngaya kale. I will look for him elinde nera chabe kimtu byaje buya ikabisa gaiga igobono kiriabu ni muri yo monga sale nera chabe kimtu byaje buya kabisa. Athletic Kenya recently did registration. What step will you take in Raganga and Matieko fields in leveling for conducive practice?
Nkaide na kwanira manganebiti. Nate abajiwe say chikobe kwa sports.
Okay.
I will confirm for free ngatinda abega jiwe as a sports. Lakini ngoji vega ndo mwako yori mutu because of the budget nate aberenke.
Okay.
Onda ito consider ndo was ni bege no 4 million to give it bibere. 3 to prepare for
biber levelized biratumeke. Mbiamono omwanchu murigereri mbiamono tigango ndigereri igande gukora na etani nigideka nyerere na akorire iga iwanaganye desimi yondetere elinde tokore. I also want to congratulate you, brother. You are a good interviewer. Finalize asking him how he can rate his scorecard. Ngate you've rated yourself. Whatever you ngoli. Top 10. Ase abantu MC Bonzi gole top 5.
No, I'm top 5.
Uno go yagere ko komo no. Top 5. Da yo tanga ine. Iyo giri kwa kobeka nirigeri ali. Biamono manchu murigeri. Twakorire magaraba yabono. Yo tubando ukora kinsa inyigoro kurende mangana na bagwanza linde twamnyoka baka cyakiri gidayika 13 igoro yekinsa inye cyo butuko bwarero. Biamono kigima oyo korko mu rubuli bweke mbugiya siasa kare dikore juma mosi utagara kinsa ibere igoika kinsa inye echabutuko elinde twakwana magendera yakorwa sebinyoro gweta ahigangori gitora babunge ahigangori gitore bana siasa bali bago soka bono na boigo twaligi aba MCA bonsipi nabagaba nabarungu bali gitore bali bagwanja kuruli bageri elinde twakwanira manganaya ambia mono onyole na ntwa chaka ekiumbu mashinani wiki area nigo twarenge county area ya Nyamira no nya ningendete koroberi naende weekend nyasaye karanje na butura abesiko lakini rende atanje tito berisiko still na butuja kogendera gaya igo bono bia mono kigimo mwanchu murigeria aso murogeri oyo igo tugobwaterana aburitangani nigo twarenge na Lydia Mose esensemo yumuntu wabu biorokererio na boigo producer yumuroberi yakuru kuna Abigail Nyanchama wikanande weekend aso murogeri obweke umbu injini gonkuru kwa John Kibati bia mono kigima mheshimiwa
asante
bia sana maiga yu aso irebia abantu agora kana kwa bia mono